investigation into the people them who are get these houses. You can't do an investigation into their situation,
They
what they
don't
were
care
going
about
through,
that.
and the relief they have now received because they might get a house. No, that's not
They're not
important.
busy about
You're gonna
that
try
travel.
make a story out of the track really. As a matter of fact, when the track really just start deal with whenever the first problem then they run with is you now go done in time for champs. Boom. Everything a happen in time for champs. The next thing now the colours come out. Lord Jesus Christ. Big old firestorm over the colours. Oh, it is political and it is this and boom. The beauty of it come and the Jamaican people love it. Then now go down and say, oh my God, it's so beautiful. People love it. And I say, yes, man, this is beautiful. Listen, paint up a wall and redevelop and fix up all our stadium, man. Because this is so beautiful. And they themselves, their conscience won't allow them to go against the fact that it was a job well done. We didn't try for the
Barbados track is like that, and they
he
never
now
stop
go get
arguing
certificate. Well, I know
about
hear
the
them. He
track.
now get certification to be a level 1, and we did a level 1. That now out the window. Them a focus pass. Oh, something wrong with the contract, and it cost more money than them tell we. And it this and it that, and the people who respond to that. I try to find a story out of everywhere. Digging. The ward theater being in the position that it has. How much does it really affect the Jamaican people or the Jamaican or the economy? It doesn't really. I understand the historical stance of it, right? But even if you turn the ward
Outdated.
it is just costing the taxpayer money, pan top of money, pan top of money, pan top of money. Yes, it is a historical site. Yes, it has interesting landmark, but is it feasible?
At this time.
Is it feasible?
All right.
So they're just running with some things that don't make no sense at all. Then just run with these things and I try to push it and do nothing for the economy. Nothing it does for the economy. I mean, I hear Mark Golding talk nothing about the infrastructural development we are going across the country. Oh, you're going to give police. Oh, we're going to give police concession. We're going to give them this. We're going to give them that. They need good working conditions. Because at the end of the day, we give police house, land, and car and money, and they don't have a proper place to which they will perform their duties from. We now get good policing. Mark, we are talking about. You focus on your major and the minor. Because at the end of the day, what we're paying them for, what all of these benefits is coming for them to carry out proper policing. And if you do not give them the equipment to be able to carry out proper policing, it's a waste of time.
But Chuck, have you ever known the PNP to care about the economy? No. PJ said in the last speech that macro economy was never his focus. And it is proven by the result. Right, so he never have to tell nobody with sense that he never focused on the economy. Everybody know that based on the result. Right, but nothing about Marky G's speech is surprising. Nothing about it is surprising. As I think I was telling Shika yesterday, I say after a while, me stop watching. It never makes sense.
But you know how long we wanna talk about it though. Not even them not talk about it, Chuck.
Yes, because they are very disappointed and just not say it.
Right. So true, Mr. Chuck.
Right.
But we have to rip into it, politics. For sure.
No, I'm a problem would we do it. I'm just saying.
There's nothing to rip into. It was basically an endorsement of everything that the government is doing.
It was just shreds itself already. There's not even for even make your mind a thought to say, I wonder if this could work. Or, so we can look into that. Not like that in it. There's
it is something like a match, one well anticipated match, cricket, T20 final. And the side they go bat first, perform poorly, and the match just get boring because the other side they go lick off in the east.
Exactly. So there's no form of competition. Nothing that did if you get excited about when you see your opponent.
Yeah.
You know?
Robbie, you know what the problem is? Uno too intelligent.
Yeah.
Uno look for real competition. And uno realize that PNP keep the people in the gutter for one reason. Why uno look for intelligence? Have you ever gotten it? Uno never get intelligence from PNP and think of reason, you know. It's always a little catching thing. Time come and all of them bullshit. They are black man time and all that. Where is the economical development? And that I look for, you know. I don't can't find it. I don't expect PNP, you know. I show alone of that. But don't talk.
Morning, Robbie.
Morning, everybody.
Morning.
Munchie.
Me did on the platform, but me get a call. But you know what, guys? I went and listened to what Cliff Hughes said.
Yes.
And Cliff Hughes said the very same thing what we are saying. And Cliff Hughes agreed because Chuck, remember they play a platform where David have remind politics and sports and was talking about housing for young people.
Yeah.
And me tell you, say, the party who show the young people them where by the fight, they bust down week for 50,000 and do their ear. Say them can have access to this house. That is, remember saying, no, guys, the young people vote with the Jamaica Labour Party. They ask the Prime Minister for a job and the Prime Minister provide them job. They ask the Prime Minister to access to education, the Prime Minister give them access to education. No young people is asking the Prime Minister Andrew Holness and ask PNP nothing because PNP has never done anything for nobody yet. The young people is asking the Prime Minister within trust and been voting for the past 9 years. Prime Minister, give us a pathway to own our own house. And we promise you the PNP will never come back in government. I'm not going to know this. That is why so spend time on the housing trust thing, Chuck, and it was very detailed. Because he knows that where the voters are and he knows that the young people want. He know that. He knows that the young people, them man of fool again, like back in the days, we can tell him about, oh, time come, I don't stop the progress and they're fooling this. Young people are serious people now. Young people want something to vote for. That is why, and Cliff is right, Cliff, you say it's so unattractive, but how much is it gonna cost? Where you gonna pull the money from? How to go? Until you can tell us how to go and where you're going to pull the money from and what you're going to fund it, this budget is not it. And we not give you no pass. And that is true. We know our Prime Minister come tomorrow with details and listen to the young people.
But Munchie, he like with people them too, you know. I think he played on the ignorance of our people, because when he come and he must say, he go start make people when them pay a little rent, them can get a little deposit and whatever. But NHT already have that. Your money where you already are putting a NHT, if you save it, if you don't collect your refund, you can always use it towards your deposit, right?
Maybe
so
people don't know that last week.
And that's the problem. So even yesterday when Mr. Fly Green put out a video, me say, Ono cannot be this late with these things. Yeah, and that's what I say. Ono cannot be this late with the. We have been asking you guys for this information, and when Mark Bolin and Julian come out and say them are going to do this, then we push them out. They must sit there for the out a long time. But NHT really you can save up, and guess what too? Yes, if future payments in the NHT, they will also calculate it and give it to you so that you can use it for a deposit as well. So if you and your partner or you are whoever buy property together, whatever you have now plus future earnings, they will give it to you to put towards a deposit. The next thing, people can go NHT can send them at the commercial bank, they get the same rate from NHT. If you buy a house with $20 or $30 million, it's happening now.
And that me sign up my daughter for Lashika. Lashika, before you move though, but Munchie, you come from town. The house them where bill, where Portia them bill. Don't some of the people them now not pay for them and they not maintain?
None of them not pay for them. And they never work again in their life. And then a thief in light and thief in water they have, because when the government change and the government try to regularize them so they can stop pay their loan, none of them not pay slip, none of them can do no paperwork, can come to the government, just left them alone. None of them
no,
don't
what me I
regular
try
rate,
tie
and
to,
no
you
the
know.
place not done.
What I'm trying to tie to, you know, Munchie, is when the man say even if you're not you work below minimum wage or you hustle,
The PNP that
he might
man.
give you a house. No,
PNP
but the man, I
that.
tell you why I go do. Me I want people listening, you know. Cause when they put you in the house, you know, that is what you don't have to pay nothing more.
They did it
And the
before. That's what
community
they
tear
did
down, I
that
will
before
waste the
to
money.
them.
That's what me I try tight. Yeah, people feel know that. Say a serious start mark I make. It's no joke.
Mario, me not forget, you know. Me not forget one day me I listen to Cliff Hughes, you know. And one lady calling on and complain on no water. She don't have no water, she don't this and she don't that, you know. And we say,
In the high rise building, we did the listen.
yeah, and we say, Cliff, take on the MWC, you know. And I said, oh, can't do that, so Cliff said, where live there, pay your water bill?
Are we right in the
She
chat
come
in
from.
Rashika? Are we in the chat? All of the labor right in the chat right to Cliff say, ask her she pay water. Because we know she not pay no. But to Cliff take her water commission. Remember Mario?
Yes.
We in the chat comparing us to Cliff say, ask her your bill. We know she not have a bill.
You man not pay no water bill, nothing.
We know she not have
light bill, water light.
They don't pay a bill.
Look here, me, I am so proud. Munchie, me say I feel so good. Nobody don't know. You see this amnesty where the government do with the water thing, Munchie, and you see this light bill thing. Munchie, you know me I beat on that long time in other places. We have to do something for the people. Now, you see down at Negril, Munchie, remember the people and come out, come demonstrate with the retired mayor, you know, me call him the retired mayor, who has been there for more than 30 years.
Bertel Moore.
And the people in know what, and him come out and demonstrate with them. You know, say 2/3 of them people in know water, not pay no legal water.
Of course.
All right, but they come out and defending things. Now, this is the same ploy they want to apply with NHT. You feel pay NHT for some people who decide, not all, but for some people who decide that them now work like you, but then forget free house.
That's a Michael Manley. That's a Michael Manley concept. Michael Manley talking that. Michael Manley.
Oh.
Michael Manley tell them say people who work must give to the poor when now work. Michael Manley said that say you're not supposed to obtain something your neighbor not have whether your neighbor work or not. I see PNP come back again with.
Tell me why we should not go to work then.
No Michael Manley style?
Here, somebody a complain say if I only poor people alone I benefit from a golden budget what happened to middle class. So
Not going to pay about me. That is why I pay. That is why remember saying Lashika. That is why the middle class moved over to Bruce Golding in 2007, you know. Because PNP no business with the middle class,
yes.
PNP business with the interfood people, them.
No,
that's why the business, that's why PNP has spread the story to Jamaica Labour Party is for the rich. Because the business class, once a person start work and start to see like different, they now vote for PNP. Once a person catch ambition and come out of them all out, then do a vote for PNP again. PNP are for the non-progressive.
People who want to stay in them parents' house, Munchie, and not understand what it is to have a bill or pay a bill, or to be independent and to think for your next 10 years. Those are the people that support PNP party.
Yeah, the PNP say, oh, poor people, we're going to give them, you're not going to buy solar light. I know, guys. Mark Golding is willing to take the middle class again, Lashika, tax money, and buy solar light, battery, and everything, and pay for it to be installed in the people them house. And remember, you have to meet certain criteria to qualify for that. You know, so say anybody who work, you're not qualified to get that free solar. Then, but remember, say your tax money, I do it. You know, remember your income tax. You know, as PNP people, them now work to pay income tax. That's the PNP thing. That's why there's never been a time in history when the PNP grow the economy. Never, because the PNP only know if it share up. They don't know if it work, if they put money in. You hear Mark go and say, oh, when single mother hungry, you can't tell them about statistic. Always eat a food.
Always eat a food.
What an ignorant argument. What a worthless argument, Munchie.
But the man was using statistics to guide him yesterday, so I don't understand.
Exactly. Me confused.
The man did use statistics to make him point, but at the same time, statistics and him, the two don't go together.
Every single child in Jamaica must get a nutritious meal, Mario.
Yes.
Where the money will come from?
Why? Munchie,
It's
let me
so
tell you
good
something
enough.
about me.
It's so
Let me add
good
something
enough.
to you. You see, when me got UTech, there was a time when the money did low. And you see the mango tree them with on the property them between Deso and down a Hope Garden. It's when we done their study. We are final from May to June. At the mango tree that we used to live from. So we have to suffer. We don't have no money to buy food. We eat mango and drink water. When you suffer, you develop yourself.
No,
make up your mind
not
for
will
that.
not believe in that. And as I said last night, Mario,
Well, and the point where you bring up, wherein every child must get a nutritious meal. This speech yesterday said those who needed it. So the speech last Thursday said every child, but this speech yesterday said for those who need it.
Wow, thank you, Jarvis.
but Travi, let me ask you a question. Unu born and grow in Jamaica, Lashika. Explain something to me. If you have Timmy Yai, me have Timmy Yum, Mario have Timmy Yum to Tom in a class, right? How you are gonna come, all the government or all the school or all the guidance counselors are gonna come in a class now and pick out Timmy Yai and say Timmy Yai alone need lunch. So want to buy pitney for your pitney. Which government can go in one class and pick out and choose who to get the free lunch, Mario? Tell me, how when you're rich?
Me have the solution for you. But
How when you're rich, you're going to say you have to pay tax to your pitney to get the lunch too.
No, you miss it. No, you miss it. And also PNP work. And you know how PNP work.
And this is why,
and
sorry,
PNP,
Mario, this is why me did I say people are complaining about the middle class. Because you are got just to everything for poor people. What about the middle class who have paid the bulk of the taxes?
Thank you.
But I know that the Lashika, I know them the people that them are talk about. If
Me
you
know PNP
are
in a
an
jungle
enemy of PNP, no, over the whole country. Because me know a councillor we used to get where them are collect what is something where people then get names still.
Part.
Part.
And them know it too. And the people who need part in Mario.
And never
PNP people.
Good. So that is what you see what Travis said. I'm glad him said. Me not catch the word properly, but me understand what it means and I can tell him in my own words. So what we will do is identify the people that we think, because it's about the comrade parties, not about if you go up there talk too much, you're not getting nothing.
But Mario, in essence, that is exactly what part is. Him just come like a offer something brand new when he is not. Because when the first person said Tuesday and the government jump up and say, hey, that is already in existence, that's part. He said, no, every child. But the mastermind come and say yesterday at those who need it, so we know where that going.
Yes.
And they say separate from
party. I tear down and start PNP doing that me putting at the chat yesterday.
But Mario, they're not tear down part. They might add because remember we have almost 200,000 people upon part already, you know. And PNP say, I know the part pick them attack and the next people will part never capture. Overall, we have 450,000 young people between primary and high school. We have 200,000 already per part, and PNP say we not capture all of them. So that is all of the children them will go to school now, according to PNP logic. You don't see the PNP no sense. It's just to win election, Mario. You know see that don't make no sense.
Well, me fret every day. Me fretting up, Munchie.
You say something to a minute there.
When you do that,
on the point of point.
I see one calculation. Sorry, Colin. I see Daryl Pass one calculation over Twitter. And the budget for that is approximately $1.5 trillion.
That's for the 1% every somebody one that are the 1% one person from my family go to college. Where will get that money from?
Yes.
They soon tell you, let the gentleman talk. They never tell you where money are come from.
You already did on a point a while ago with the housing thing. But just want to add something to it. Because when Mark Golden come out and tell the people them about house, and him now look for where the Prime Minister do already for the people them with house, right? 90% of them constituency, them people that were living at them constituency, they not pay nothing to housing trust. So therefore, if you notice for them place, the amount of crime will breed up in a for them place. So them want to come back and breed more crime in a Jamaica, where crime can't control again. That's why you see him a run with all the way him a run with. We say, well, the people them are gonna give him a chance, but if people fool enough to really put him in a power, them are gonna see what really gonna go on in Jamaica. Because at that time nobody can even walk out the road free. You understand? So we all have to continue spread the message. Make some other people when I really see what I go and see. Because it's gonna be terrible.
Calling to all the man disrespectful, the man that come talk about Operation Pride. Me never see nothing go so yet in all my years.
That, you know, see the man a mad
you're
man.
saying say run with it. When they say run with it, they mean
Yes.
highway. They never mean then.
Yeah, me just ask the historians them because me I say
Jesus, I wonder where Chuck gone. This one,
Me
Chuck,
say me just-
this one Dorland and Chuck and Chopper.
hey, the man line up.
You know,
Jesus,
see, because
the PNP say run with it.
you know, see they never chat him out one day. Julian come out one day with film bag of crap also.
Did
You know,
Juliet go on all angles and do interview?
I don't know if you
They
want
just
to
interview
Last
Juliet.
night,
Everybody
all
know?
angles are at tonight. Coming up with top watch TV, J.
No,
long time, you know.
when he speak, not last week he speak. So you know,
Last Thursday I would have this
when.
week.
Thursday.
I would have this week. Today would have go.
Also tonight he might come.
Yeah.
Okay, we expect to see him tonight. Oh,
Look here, you say something, Munchie. Where them are gonna get the money from? How much time the Jamaican economy crash as them take government? And where the money go?
I told every time.
We have to read into every time the country crashing in 9 months or less.
You see how long them out of power. You see how long them out of power. And the amount of promises where man make to all the TikTok and them and to all of the done them and all of them thing there. If them win election tomorrow morning, remember say within 3 months, all the resources where we have put on, it gone to the dirt.
Jamaican people. But that thing that we talk about with you want somebody pull up the minister. They run with it, finance minister. We want to hear that audio there again.
He said the highway, the man did that talk about. I know.
We want to hear what the man has said.
Munchie, yesterday when he said he's going to remove minimum wage.
And do
Did
what?
you hear that?
No, me never watch him. Remove minimum
Oh,
wage
me
and do
never
what?
watch him neither.
Me chop asleep about 4 times in a it.
He's gonna remove minimum wage and people pay what they can afford.
Yeah, man. Exploitation at its finest.
So how is that going to work? Wait till I go to work.
Sink the
Chavi,
economy like
confirm
Cuba.
Chavi.
And give people little island.
You know, explain to me. Me no understand. Me have to ask somebody who know more than me. I'm gonna remove minimum wage and put what?
Yeah. The minimum wage law, I move that. And people pay they can afford.
Oh Jesus.
Look here, you ever talk to nobody from Cuba yet?
All them people we cook up them books, I know.
Lashik or Munchie. You never talk to nobody with no Cuban yet?
Never. Me never talked to a Cuban before.
Boy, but all right, anytime, I go check them. What I'm a Cuban brethren. I'm not gonna ask them. Cause me no want to tell no lie.
Somebody comment and remind me. Him say introduce livable wage. I want to know what minimum
So
wage.
how do you decide what is with livable wage?
But that's exactly what minimum wage is.
No, but say now use the word minimum wage, Travi. How do you interpret that? How does the private sector interpret that public sector? Oh. Because when you live off of me not because
When
for
you
example,
want to.
livable wage according to how you live. And I say, go.
Yeah, how you want to live, yeah.
So you got to determine
Munchie.
my livable wage as
Munchie.
opposed to Lashika livable wage.
Munchie.
You understand?
Munchie, I want to tell Mark, say, my livable wage is $10,000 a month.
Exactly, and my livable wage is $1,000 per month. I'm maybe $800 because me not paying absolutely no bills. I mean, I'm not putting go to school. So how do you decide?
Yeah.
Mark Golden is mute the mic, Philip. Mark Golden is crazy. You know, see me tell you, say Mark Golden. Let me tell you the problem what Mark Golden have with that now. Mark Golden and his friend them in the private sector.
Tapanaris, don't live that way.
And the Tapanaris in the private sector. Come by the last time the Prime Minister raised it to 15,000 then complaints they weren't consulted. Mark Golden and the people in the private sector, they don't want to move wage as how inflation is moving. You notice when time the public sector workers are negotiate, they say, oh, all of that done in inflation. Yeah, give me extra 2,000 inflation, eat out that already. But when it comes to the minimum wage earner now, they can't say that. The private sector have a problem when the minimum wage earner them and the government say to them, say, all right then, because of the inflation, we're going to raise it from 13 to 15. We're going to raise it from 9 to 12 because inflation are 2 or 2,000 or whatever. They don't like that. That's why they might go and cook up the plan, say, livable wage. That means that they can't give people any amount they feel like. That cannot work. Right now, the Prime Minister, the private sector better prepare themselves because before the election, minimum wage supposed to move to 17,000 a week and drop down and they might make money them very thief. Private sector is the one that is causing inflation so high in the country because then thief. One of them come together and overprice them goods. Yeah. So if I like the Prime Minister drop it from them, but
you can't do it so still.
I know it can't exactly cannot do so.
But Munchie, if we look on it, remember, in the earlier days before 1990, you used to have a different salary for a housekeeper from a man who are going to work in a store, in terms of the starting salary. And them people who call themselves PNP cut you out and put everything in a one,
Right.
So now tell them say they can't do it if we remember, So if you are a domestic worker, there's a set salary where you start from. And if you are work as a teacher, there was a set. It never have nothing to do with minimum wage as I said. But let us take it as minimum wage as a general thing. Minimum wage is not something for a 50-year-old or a 40-year-old
who
should not work.
Minimum wage at the 50. If you find yourself at 26 and still get minimum wage, you're not trouble.
Exactly.
Thank you, Mario.
And we have to see it for what it is.
Exactly. Minimum wage is for pick when you just left school and you want something to do between 19 and 24. Not in a 2025 when art is free. Look here, let me tell you something, Mario. My machine now work from when, but I'm never there, I'm never interested in fix it. And me I say, the man tell me say the sensor now work and everything. I'm leave it alone. Yes. I'm leave it alone. And I say, buy a machine or what? I make up my mind. Anyway, I say, I call the man to see if because inside the sensor is still good. You know how much money the man charge me for the sensor per Amazon of less than $150. You know how much money the man charge me to come put in the sensor yesterday? $15,000.
Yeah, you don't pay him for the cost of your replacement. You pay him for his technical knowledge.
The sensor for less than $50. Cheap per Amazon, you can go look on it. And the man charged me $15,000 to come look for it and put it in. No site, we are in discuss it the man charge. You think so me can't tell the man but me not give money? No, young people nowadays can go hard and they can learn one skill. If you know what expensive in Jamaica now, Mario and plumber. Make your pipe bust, you call a plumber and see something. Especially if they have to lick out one wall, dog name your supper.
Let me tell you what did that day. Maybe about 6 to 8 months ago, me and one man catch up. Because me go to the house at Jamaica, Munchie, and the man, me realize that the float valve is like the chlorine in the water cause this thing that now work, it now float. And me ask the man how much we replace it. Remember, I just a screw out something and screw it in back. A 4 grand the man said. I said, 4 grand? If you just do that. Man said, what you feel like? If you don't want to pay the money, do it yourself. I said, right. It just necessary, sir.
Plumber is no joke in Jamaica, may I tell you. Plumber is no joke in Jamaica right now. And you have young people who talk about time come and government not providing no job. Art is free. Go and learn a skill. No young people of their years don't want to talk about them away for handout from PNP handout. How much days the PNP can give you handout for?
Munchie are wicked, them parents wicked, you know. Any parents who have people sit down at their yard and not going to heart, are not going to university, are not going out here to find a job. It's not a good parent. It's a wicked parent to their own self. Wicked parent to their own self. You know why they're wicked? Because they just see their nose. 10, 15 years from now, you are say 30 or you are 40 and you want pick at 20. Put it that way. 10 years from now, they pick there at 30 and you are 50 and you go down the hill at 60 and they pick the on a skill and they in your house. How you bring this up?
Exactly.
Tell me. Get out your child and your children out of your house when they go do something. That one day. Come on, man.
All the PNP interested in is to come in and share up the pie for PNP people. We not hear Mark going with no plans, with no growth, with no nothing at all for grow the economy. We not hear Mark going coming in with anything of for attract investors. We not hear Mark going come with and comrade, don't notice Mark going don't touch the Cuba Jamaican thing.
Saga.
Yes. Saga. You notice the PNP don't touch it?
Yes.
Remember, say the PNP is known to be friends of the Cubans, you know. How comes Mark Golding not have absolutely nothing to say, Travis?
Little cockroach them we run up and down around the floor and them talk about it. The little cockroach them, they cash and them and them something.
Exactly.
Just cockroach on the floor running around in the turn on the light. Them I talk about that. You know, here
Travis, me think yesterday me hear you talk about it. And me come yesterday and me hear one lady from Canada come with it too, you know. And me ask her, say, the same woman at Barbados, how much Cuban she have her work? As much as she said. It looked like she did on a site, a trick you with it, thing like
I noticed she alone. I noticed
yeah, but she not have one Cuban worker in a Barbados, right? And you must have 400 down there. And you are going to say, you are willing to back them. And you don't have none. So where you are back? You don't have back nothing because you don't have none over there.
Notice Sherlock.
Good. So you shut up your mouth. Somebody tell me if I'm wrong, you know. Why you come talk? Because Barbadian people, them think about themselves first, you know.
Exactly.
It's a overflow for them carry you in, you know. But Jamaica take everybody, you know. But guess what? You want Andrew come talk to.
And even if Barbados people take you, and the worst work you get over there, and you're living at the worst piece of old board house. You don't make it cheap. Okay.
Watch the style they use now. Watch the style they use.
Like Jamaican.
Munchie, watch your style they use, Amari. Watch your style they use. No PNP, no comment on it officially, you know, but them bring Ralph Gonzalez from where I come from. As a foreigner, if you go on them platform, if you go comment and make talk about.
Yes.
They themselves now say it, you know.
Not a word.
Who them try set up, who them try fool. But then send the signal and the alarm to them surrogates by using Dr. Ralph Gonzalez to talk.
Yes.
In a no conversation with no right. No one sit down and chat about that and focus on that.
Exactly.
And one thing me have to tell them, say, my prime minister not coming up public on the business.
And next thing too, and Mario,
what is that?
CARICOM has never been good to the Jamaica Labour Party and Jamaica.
Yes, sir.
So we're not standing with no CARICOM and we're not with no water we mouth. We not say that. I remember Trinidad used to, your Prime Minister spoke about it where they say, when he win the election in 2016, the relationship with we and Trinidad was so bad. He had to call. He had to call T-Joel and say, come visit me, man, I will fix it, and they fix it. Trinidad used to treat Jamaica
behind closed door. Don't forget that night, behind closed door. Remember, say one of them PNP man did say, no, oh no, if you go to Barbados and Trinidad, you can't go over Haiti. You remember that?
Yeah.
Oh.
Trinidad has never been good to Jamaica. Under the 18.5 years of Percival, then treat it like a shit. And
Yes.
me not go see the Mia Matley government, the one that was there before Mia Matley, them worse. And them used to assault woman and feel up woman and then something there. So me and when it comes to business, Mario, Barbados and Guyana and St. Vincent and St. Kitts, them trade among themselves. Them hardly ever take things from Jamaica. No go over there go look. Them don't take we produce. Them don't take we drinks. Them hardly, and if them do take it, then charge how much money for it. Which kind of carry come no matter? We not stand with no carry come.
You ever go down at them the place there and sit down and talk to the people them down there? Down at Trinidad or Barbados?
I have never.
Them tell you, them will tell you how wicked labor right is. Because they never get what the federal, what it them sit down that a federal, what they call it? Federation. Yes. Yeah, because all the while we forget
come is not with friend. All of the snacks them where they are Jamaica will come from Trinidad. You can look at when you look, you see every single holiday snack everywhere. They are Jamaica from Trinidad. And when you go over there, you go look nothing. They don't want nothing from we. When as Trinidad, they has ever benefit Jamaica. See Guyana now, Guyana oil rich. Look on Guyana, right? But Mario, even though Guyana, that's South America, but they say them in a carry come. Guyana is oil rich, right? You see the same type of oil where Guyanese pump, we can refine it in our refinery. You see who refine Guyanese oil? US. We not carry coming up. We supposed to get first preference because we not carry come based on the rules and carry come. And they're not trading their oil with us. They are sending it to US in refinery to refine. And I'm talking about carry come.
And we must abide
money. How comes we not benefit from that?
Trinidad give a little no, but nobody else
have no choice. Trinidad have no choice because for them refinery mash up and they don't have no money to fix it. But them right now the opposition mad at the Keith Rowley government for doing that, you know. Right now they're upset with Keith Rowley government because they're saying that no way, shape, or form they should be sending their oil to Jamaica to be refined when Jamaica now no oil. Because they're desperate. And then they search out the whole world already, and we are doing the cheapest. That is why they send it to us. And because they want to, they have no choice.
No, you're right.
So I don't know when on earth has Kerry come ever benefit with all of a sudden and then the argument in Travi, you hear the comrade them over the diaspora talk about Jamaica must stand with Cuba. Why they not give up them American citizenship, Mario? Why they not give up them green card and go on over Cuba?
I have one thing to say to that, you know, Munchie. All comrade, you know, Munchie, supposed to be a Cuba, you know. No comrade, nothing in America, you know.
Run off over Cuba, Alcott. What am I doing in America? What am I doing in Trump America? Because Trump don't even want them there. What are they doing there? And they eat Donald Trump like pies. And so why they not go to Cuba?
I love
the Cuba regime so much.
I nah give up my little privilege where US give me for Cuba. For if you can't travel come to US, I nah give up that for Cuba.
That's crazy.
But look on this now, Munchie. You see down at South Florida, and this is what I don't understand. The South Florida voted Republican them, and not even Republican, they voted for Trump, right? The whole of South Florida, Broward County, down in Miami, the whole of that.
And don't forget Marco Rubio, who's the Secretary of State, is of Cuban descent. And I impose this strict restriction on Cuba. So if Marco Rubio, who father born and grew up Cuba, if every one of the Cuban them will live down in South Florida and down in Miami-Dade all over Florida, vote overwhelmingly for Donald Trump, who is little Jamaica, third world country to stand with Cuba?
Thank you very much. After them people down there, you know. But look at the next side to the Munchie.
When we realize with them and a lot of comrades, they don't know nothing about international news. They don't watch nothing on PNP WhatsApp group. Nothing. Yes.
You know when the next thing they
something about foreign policy, Mario, they can't tell you. Because here them say no, not wrong if Andrew always give up in visa. Mario, that's not what the policy is. It is every single government member on both sides,
plus
including their
the banking
families,
sector,
and including their families and including every single person who works with government. It's not Andrew Owens' visa. The argument panel where the PNP has spread talking about Andrew Owens' visa. It is not only Andrew Owens, it is everyone that is a part of the administration. Everybody who's part what is in government. Remember when Mario, when Colombia never want to take back then deport, then as some say everybody. When they're part of the government on both sides, visa restriction, plus their family, plus then diplomat have to leave for America before the man in done Colombia call him and say, send them come.
Oh, but I know that alone, if you say, barrel, you see the barrel on Western Union, I got cut off. You have to talk that too, So who sit down at them yard and I go wait, the money, because money can't go to Cuba like how we have money come at Jamaica now, barrel can't come down there. When you do these things, this is the effect.
Both stand with Cuba.
Oh.
Michael Manley tried it in the 1970s, Mario. You can't tell him the history they did it. Michael Manley tried it. And Michael Manley said when Kissinger did an interview, you can Google it on YouTube, because I love YouTube. Michael Manley said when Kissinger came to Jamaica, and Kissinger said to Michael Manley, say, look here, you need to change your foreign policy, you can't go to Cuba. Michael Manley said, no, I'm doing it because of principle. I'm standing with Cuba for principle. Michael Manley said Jamaica was supposed to get $50 million from the US. Michael Manley said when Kissinger go back, you hear a word from Kissinger about the money.
No.
Kissinger not about a while, Mario. Kissinger shaking and everything, When Kissinger go back, Michael Manley hear back from him.
Okay. But I know that alone, In 1980, we make a decision, We, the Jamaican people, make a decision 1980. Michael Manley was supporting Cuba and the communism. Seaga was supporting democratic and the American system, which is part of the English system. Reason with me. Now, the people of Jamaica decided that, listen, we now go with Cuba. We are going with America. So from that day, we make the decision that America's system is where we're traveling. Why should we now go back to Cuba when we don't make that decision from 1980? Can somebody tell me why? Are we voting labor right?
Ask Caution and Ingram and Diego, and then don't swan they never pass primary school. Ask them. All of the privilege where them used to know. They don't know, say, when they go with Cuba, they don't have it forget. One of them gone up to American embassy, gone line up in a line for visa. They don't know, so when you go with Cuba, that go cut off too. Sometimes I wonder, you see panel. Sometimes I wonder, it's not about JLP or PNP, Sometimes I wonder if some people not really weigh the pros and cons before they make a decision. Because as much as me Andrew Owens labor right, me not dieted to the sense that me stupid like them, Because me not go up on no cliff with no government, Once the government is making decision for the country benefit, or for young people benefit, because my daughter at 21, and for that, I tell you every time we come up on social media, I don't have to get a black tank, I don't have to get a care package, I don't have to get a farmer card, and all I need is my road to fix, I need access to water, I need access to government agency. Right now, that's my main problem now. Because when you go to pay your taxes, me can't take the problem, so me glad the government move things online. When you go to the hospital, it's wicked PNP doctor, them a sabotage the system. And there's something that me have a problem with. Me don't really care if me not benefit personally. I want a government, Mario, that when time 10, 15, 20 years from now, the generation that is coming up live in a better Jamaica than the one that Percival put us through. That is why me vote for Jamaica Labour Party, for a better Jamaica.
But all that you put forward, Munchie, is what policy, is what government supposed to do, This handout business is a crap, man. Government supposed to ensure, say, you have a proper place to pay your taxes, right? Your roads, your light, and your water is maintained. Proper schooling for your kids. The security of your country is running. Not individual, but for the country. That is what you have central government for, to create policy.
Mario never hear Donald Trump yesterday when they asked Donald Trump, say, President Trump, you said that you will end the war on day one. What happened? You hear President Trump say? That was sarcasm. That never, people should have noted that never possible.
You So who no understand? But I know him alone. Remember 2 week light. We are gonna get the light bill reduced in 2 weeks. You know, don't forget that. And people buying to it.
President Trump said the people could have never match with Ganga and believe that because
the man is a marketer, man. You can't beat him.
President Trump said on day one, he might go bring down the price of goods and the price of egg. Right now, people in New York are buy 3 eggs in a bag, Mario.
You better know.
When you ask President Trump said because of Biden, make the bird and catch bird flu.
Munchie.
Yeah.
I not change the argument. Warm to the equipment them. You set them up already because I call in last night and I can't get through.
Boy, I go work on them in the next 2 hours. Somebody said they will call me 2 o'clock. Hopefully it work out. I work on it.
Okay.
Why? Alcatan, are we live in a President Trump country or
no, Munchie, you know, my mother dead Saturday night, so me have to come across. I Canada, me live now.
Oh.
Wow. My condolences to you, Alcat.
Yeah, condolences to you, Alcat. So your mother live in America?
Yeah.
So Alcat, back to the politics. You know me a politician.
Yeah.
You eligible for voting in Canada?
No.
Okay.
Me am no citizen.
Okay, so how come you're not citizen?
Look, you know, man, you go get to no citizen, you know.
No, man, I long time I did Canada. Last year I go Canada, Munch.
Okay.
Oh, but as listen, if you stop play this joke, and you see everything. That's why I rate Andrew will listen, Munchie. The man come up and the man talk to diaspora on more than one occasion, and he say, "Uno come up in this country, make sure uno go get to no citizen." Uno remember the argument there?
Me no want no
right
citizen
now,
have no more country. Me a citizen of Jamaica.
Brother, we can't talk right now. Me know some man run up and down can't go a road. Why? Because they are a resident. When you're a resident in a country, you only reside until your time. The country don't want you no more. You have people right now can't come to Jamaica, you know, not can't come. They can come, but they're not sure when they come back, they are gonna get let in. Why? Because they have committed crimes. And because they are not a citizen of the country, then the country, the US now take you back. And this is a real thing, may I tell people.
Mario.
So
at Jamaica, I buy my house, so I no need get no citizen in no other country. Me go and be a resident until me eat a food and ready for cut out.
Well, that most of we do, but me make sure say. Show me a place in the two countries.
We could have never lived in one country and I can't vote. Me love politics too much.
Yes. Yes. Me
love politics too much. That I mean.
Me vote
me could have never lived in a foreign country and I can't vote, Mario. Me love politics too much. I'm interested in a foreign politics because me know say we move to the West. So anything I'm to the West happen to Jamaica because Jamaican people very Americanized. And the fact that Donald Trump in a government, now Donald Trump a promise to tariff every God's soul and put a reciprocal tariff by everybody. Me concerned about that. So me have to pay attention to what go on.
Munchie, when you live in a country, no make nobody tell you no.
Where's the politics?
Me I wanna if Lashika go vote.
Me don't know if she a citizen. Me know Petal have citizenship and Petal have go vote because Petal
Lashika they are
conservative.
Lashika they are Canada long time and Lashika must a citizen.
Oh no, me say me don't know about her personally. Me don't know her about me.
Here she run out there.
I can tell you sound
like you could have stopped me, you're crazy.
Yeah, Lashika.
The father files for me. Make sure I get my citizenship.
Yeah, Lashika got different. You have been in Canada 3 years before you get at least 3 years you have to do in the country before you're eligible for citizenship.
But if Pierre Paliev win that change up,
yeah,
Pierre Paliev win it, I got change up Alcat.
Him link with Trump. With Trump.
That's how I want to make sure so I don't make him come in. I be able to chop that.
Trump this him yesterday or today.
Yeah, can't chop the liar. Like that. Yeah, man.
Now watch Trump. Now watch Trump. Trump do certain things to attract certain kind of people. To make you not see him in a certain way. You have to know Trump marketing strategy. You know.
So Mario, did you vote for Trump?
Yeah.
You saw the vote, I know.
What to you? You want me? If me ever smell like that, my wife and daughter beat me.
Okay, good.
I'm a straight Democrat with vote.
No, Lashika. No, Lashika. Munchie, if me was have the option for vote, a Trump would have voted for so. Yeah,
For what?
Because he's a
never have it.
He's not a Trump man still, but he's a Republican.
So how you
but Trump
go
and a
vote for Trump?
Republican.
Trump and a Republican, then a Republican him represent.
Only the tick, only the name. Trump have
Look at
nothing
Munchie.
to do with Republican.
Munchie, you see this a set of people where Trump a drive right now. All me a feel the hands of them.
Exactly. Trump and me no way matter about Mario. Trump and have no conservative bone in his body. Trump is a wicked, racist,
businessman.
Businessman. Trump is all about the money. Trump no loyal to nobody. When me see how Trump me look here, me no in the one Joe Biden and the Democrats them in Mario.
No,
because then too careless because when them a change boy into girl and when them a talk about oh boy, them a put pad in a boy bathroom, and when they talk about boy can go in a girl sports,
I am happy.
That is why they lose so much vote because people sick and tired of them stupid. You see, Obama made it possible for homosexual married. That was a stretch, but people say, all right, them fine, we live with it. But when the Democrat gone to change up people and they overdo it, man. They overdo it.
You see, down in Florida, so it did heavy in a Munchie.
Yes,
me happen to go
true.
at the school, them go do some work. Me happen to go at the school, them go do some work. And the way them present themselves in the school where they look at them, it bothers me so much.
Yeah, man.
And when me say present themselves, all of the little things them where them put up, you must not discriminate about. Me glad them do that.
Yeah.
If I want thing, but let me tell you why me could not support Trump.
May I run out.
Ideal.
Move forward. May I run out, people.
Yeah.
Yeah. Here what happened now, Munchie. You see why for him people them we are going up power, you know. Them not work with who have the paper as the person where they have the authority. What them do is for them friend them are put in a position like you say PNP do it. And it no matter where you have. You must teach them. But me Mario, I'll not teach. Nobody like that. I'll make camera on before
I don't
chop.
care if the people ain't qualified or not. The people don't have to be qualified, they don't care.
No, me attacking and me chop to and my camera on in here. Me not train no boy. All them a push it on me Munchie. Right now, me and them a go work. Me have an exam I do right now. Later on in the day, yeah. And me I tell you, say, you see if me I'll pass at the exam there.
But Mario,
no boy can go.
So Mario, all Florida does turn to Donald Trump, so.
And not turn to Donald Trump. You see the same Cuban them and the Venezuelan them not understand how white people are the type of Trump people think. So them easily sway. You see, like a white man come. All right, you see what Mark Golding do? Let me tell you something, Munchie.
Yeah.
You see how yesterday in a parliament, Mark Golding have everybody around him stand up like a little puppy dog, where it is not ethical. You notice how Mark Golding do that yesterday?
Me never watch
so look off.
People standing up
you should
around
see the end of it. Go look on the end part when he go talk some shit. Me not even know why him did this.
I pledge them. Hold on there. See that part when I talk. I pledge it. And I read them a free day for people.
Yeah, him couldn't recite.
They couldn't recite.
Good. But him a run for Prime Minister of Jamaica.
What's your name again?
Everybody stand up with him.
And the next thing I'm going to add to the conversation. Hold on. Florida has been a red state for years.
No, my brother.
We can't place it on
Florida voted twice to Obama.
No.
Florida moved twice to President Obama.
But let's say Trump, Florida a red state. From the last 3 elections, Florida has been a
Florida purple.
No, but you can't use the last 3 elections for judge it. Right now, it is fully red. Because you see Orlando, and you see down a Broward, down a Miami side, there, so, and Tampa side, used to hold it for Republic, for Democrat. This is what happened now, Munchie. You see the same people them from like South America, the Hispanic them, and you have one set of Dominican Republic set of people, and a set of Puerto Rican. We tell themselves that they're not black. So at them I get certain job near the white people them.
Mario, you in Florida?
Yeah.
So that means you're fully aware of how the Cubans then treat melanin people though.
Me? Look at the first job when me get, when me get my, if me know, How much black Cuban you ever see? You mash up my head now, you know, I make me chat all kinds. How much black Cuban you ever see?
One. This one time I
Okay.
get one car mat. When he tell me say my Cuban, I was in total shock.
Why look here, me live in Central America for 4 years, you know, brother. Me live in Honduras. Me have to travel Guatemala, Nicaragua, El Salvador. Yeah? Me go at them the place there and me understand. Through here are my place in a Honduras. When me say my place, there's a black people live like how you see we live at Jamaica. Tegucigalpa is the capital. And them push the black people them always in our back. It hurt my heart so much. So you see how when we did there, through me could have employed people. And at the black people place, me go look for black people, you know. Just like how me there Florida work, you know. As a black Asian, me have a work with me, you know. If I never did him, me wouldn't teach nobody my skill. Everybody else can go suck themselves. So me I teach him the skill where me learn at Jamaica because America need it. So them not have a choice with me. That's why I say every man must learn a skill at Jamaica before he come America. So switch that the argument they know. The question about how they treat. Well, the Mexican, them will have paper car. Remember, you know, Mexican, a lot of people don't even understand. Mexican woman have paper, but the man don't have no paper. And then buy house because they're in a construction. And they imply the illegal one them to, you know, for work. Now, what you find happen that is that then tribal, like how you say we are Trinidad and Barbados tribal, you know. Because some of them feel say them better than the other ones too, you know. You know that?
Yes, that's why they vote for Donald Trump.
Yeah, man, it's South American country,
That's why
them
they
despise each other, wicked.
Yeah, man.
Hispanic divide, wicked, then despise each other terribly.
Exactly. So you know, so as a result of that, my brother, they've been tricked because they suck up to the Caucasian them so much that them believe the one they may have paper me I talk about, you know, feel say they are with them. So that I beat them right now, you know. Because none of them are lose their house.
In Dorval, I don't know if you know Dorval and Florida the two. Dorval it named
Dorval, yeah man.
Where the Venezuela and them we have papers live and the one them when on the papers can catch up. Remember, you know, them vote overwhelmingly for Donald Trump where the end of Donald Trump, you know.
Because
soon as Donald Trump come in, Donald Trump tell them say the TPO when President Biden give them it up in April, me say no bitch, you know.
But in a must listen, me my office, me have some we come from all both. Cause I just me and maybe I can count 5 black men in my department. My section over here, so in a St. Pete's, Clearwater, St. Pete's, Tampa area. 5 away. Me and me brown, but me is a black man. But them always I say me a Spanish man through my complexion. You know how we got Jamaica.
Yeah.
And listen to what me I say. You see when me I talk to the Hispanic them about, guess what them I talk about? Say under Donald Trump, they get up money and they did have job. And that's the only thing they can tell you now. And you keep saying to them, bro, stop look on that and look on the policy that is going to affect you. Right now, everybody head under their arm. Nobody can look up. Nobody.
The Venezuela and then shame like a Donald Trump say, come. And then you Donald Trump, now when they say, oh, they're scared to go back to Venezuela. Donald Trump say, things change now, Maduro now, do them not Maduro no.
Hell yes.
Oh, no,
This son of a bitch, you know. We then go on back down there.
Look here, I-4 used to block from Tampa, go right into Orlando. I-4 used to block. All this a middle there, the amount of vehicle. Me they hard rock I look down on the vehicle them now and me can't count them. Yeah? You see, before Trump coming up power, when me I tell you say traffic blocking in man. You see from the day Trump coming up power and you see what me governor name again, whatever, and he make him speech.
Randy
People run
Santos.
like Randy. Make me say people disappear like wonder appear. But you know, says a way, Munchie, to get people for work in a different state, because right now them are build up North Carolina and South Carolina. So you see what them doing now is bring off that little scheme they say anyhow then catch you with nobody, you know. Illegally. And the people they run Ghana then state they too, you know.
Yeah, go and build up it.
And then the people that use them. Because right now, people are going to Georgia and North Carolina figure work and stay from Florida. And people need to know that. Say,
Mario, me love beach road, you know. I me wish we government could have done like all maybe a hip strip like that. Me love beach road, you know. Young a Fort Lauderdale. Me
look here, see, look here. Let me tell you one place where you ever go at Tampa Clearwater yet?
No.
Have you ever been there?
No.
Well, that is where you need to go. You see Negril.
I come Florida
and
soon,
you see,
so me probably soon go over there.
Look here, you hear what me I tell you if you go. Yeah, and you need to go our next place name. What the damn place where my daughter did that day and because we are. MunchieB, me tell you know where my daughter did that up Panango. What the place name again, man?
I don't remember.
Sandestin, Fort Walton, Pensacola, Panama
Pensacola.
City.
Pensacola. You have I'll do the show people on Facebook. You want to go over into Pensacola over there. Them not even have land over there.
Turtle
Island. Me not even remember the name. I go over there so much time. But my brother, them just it's not like it's beautiful, and this is the problem me have, you know. I have not seen anything has the natural beauty as Jamaica. But just the way the government, and not even the government, the local government, you know. See, we local government have no ambition. Them one away.
Especially the PNP.
And tell me talk about. You see MunchieB, you see the hip strip and MunchieB.
Yeah, man.
And you see Negril. You see Ocharias, you see Portland. If those places, I want all of those mayors to come to like a Clearwater, down a Miami, go across up a Pensacola, Panama City. Me I beg them and just go up there, just look on the place them, look how the people and structure it, and then it can be done at Jamaica. Me no see no reason why.
Mario, them beach are natural, you know. Them beach are natural.
How we feel natural? And I cut most of them Sunday. I cut up seashell, you know, and make it white, you know.
I've witnessed them constructing the beach, constructing the shoreline, bringing sand from wherever they might bring it from, and come put there and take time construct the shoreline. I've seen it.
But remember, on the first of all time, you know, guys, when PNP did control Montego Bay, you know, they don't do nothing down there, you know.
Not a thing in a Jesus name.
Down there, and all they down there did do a capture land and a look place with the thief up. Remember that's all they down there, though?
You know the next thing when me want the government for probably do, because me notice them I say, yo, them are going to build new urban centers, them also now, you know. But them have to make the people them can maintain the building them. Then to out of order. Some of the building them then dirty. Them want paint. Some of them just old and in a plan for do not them not sell them, then just left them and it just make a place look just dead. I think so them for do them for put some law in place if you don't mean and I think
you can't try that in a foreign country, you get fined.
I think it is the
local government problem. Lashika talk about, you know, it's a local government problem, you know. Lashika, local government need to buy some sweeper to go through Montego Bay. This hand sweep business for cut out. And you see the washing of the street, it must have power wash machine. And yeah, you have to start charge the company then.
Sometimes I look and say the place just dirty.
And I just clean it and clean it up.
Yeah.
But look here, you know, say 2 days ago, me and my husband I drive through Mandeville. And I said to him, say, Mr. Chen can paint up Mupeng and Super Plus and fix up the place. Yeah.
What is the benefit, MunchieB?
And I said to him, say, I know from your gas school, the place looks so. I remember my husband 950s, you know. And my husband say, in Mupeng did it from film days because I didn't want Mupeng and Super Plus. I want to know the Chen family, CHEN, man. And you know, say 2 days ago, me asked him, say, if the man can't, what's on see building them, then terrible. And I like you telling Lashika, then can't do better for you. Jesus, it's a shame.
Then to out
And them
We
not
ain't
make
we don't have no
money.
pride,
Same
Munchie.
thing.
Munchie are the
Same thing
pride
with
that beat we.
downtown. I same thing with downtown Montego Bay. Yesterday them did one whole heap of people them in the supermarket them and the place them just dirty and nasty. And it's sickening to me when I go to
Believe
Fairview
you
with the
me.
new building them, that the place clean and look nice. But
No, but
something
they
need to
want
be
to wash
done to the
me down the
old
December.
town.
Look at Lashika, me down there, me a drive evening at the new communities, the new commercial area. The thing they want to wash and then the road marking they want to paint over. And them thing they upkeep the place and make people feel appealing, you know. I just some basic things, you know. Plant up some more trees. Let me tell you what I want to see. Look here, Munchie, you see when me drive out of my yard at morning time, and me alone in the vehicle, right? And you know you meditate. And you just look on the greenery and you look on some flowers. At Florida, me there, people. And you just watch how the man then cut the roadside and you look on it and you say, wow. And because of that, it gives you a relaxed mindset.
Yeah, man, I thought we can do better for you and allow not
And then you see the people them who do the work them, they not take no pride in doing the job. Them
no, because then nobody oversee them.
And they go collect them pay and that's it. Them sit in the car and go on a foreign. Then we need to start hold people accountable. Yes, accountability is a problem in Jamaica.
All right, look on the highway them Lashika. People say why the highway then clean so. You know what you know say people drive. When me say you, me just generalize, I talk to the people them. You have people where they have contract with the municipality, you know, where they go and both cut and take up the cut up tire them, take up the rubbish box them, even though if the police catch you and suppose you drive sometime and you see the amount of tie up bag that those vehicles pick up and take. And them do it, make the place look clean, you know. It is paid for. Not for enough, not free. Not even to keep the place clean. Exactly. And you have to clean your yard.
Mario, if you even stop on the highway, if your vehicle even stop on the highway, don't think highway patrol and maintenance now come check. If I broke your car, broke down and stuck there or whatever, you can't left it them. Like you can see one car left yourself for days at the owner's discretion on the roadside of Jamaica, no?
No. The other thing when me want to see. The other thing when me want to see. You see this, take out your material and PP. Take out your material and PP or bend down and PP close to roadside like I don't know nothing. Me want to see the government do more sanitary or let business, and it have to do with local government, you know, as much as me at all. But me I wonder how we can get it. More business places that does food.
You know a problem in Jamaica with that, Mario?
Yeah.
People them lock up them bathroom and say, oh, you have to buy something before you can use the bathroom. Them something.
That's and that's bad business. All right. All right. So that's why me say.
You see them little thing, yes, Mario, and them little thing they cause people to be frustrated, you know. And exactly. Things, you know, and them little small things that make people frustrated.
Exactly. Imagine you go one gas station. Me can pull up at any gas station, any supermarket. Go in there and go do what
I use them bathroom. Yep.
Yes.
The local government have to put it into law. And
exactly.
It has to be a part of the building code. When they build them plaza, they don't just build a plaza and put all the bathroom into the suites they them plan for it. No. You have to have public restrooms for people who not entitled to use these places to use them.
Yes. So you have a public area where people go, you on it, you know, bro. And this are and even when you drive, if you go up I-75 or you go up I-4 from anywhere, you have what they call truck stop or pullover stop, where you can pull over and go with a PB. Make me say.
We have one executive issue
to when we're pull up a junk, so when we go to storage, we empty them off and carry them up today.
We nasty, you know.
You know, man, we have downtime.
We have one little habit where we go in at the people them place and we nasty it up and we come out and we leave it. You know, so I have one little Jamaican place and I go. And I always buy, you know, my little thing, my little food in there, whatever. But in the clean pan the outside, you know, but my husband go down there and I say, no, so I want to use the washroom or whatever. And I say, Lord, God, me just afraid that one day in the nasty or whatever.
I go stop by the food.
I go stop by the food in there. I say, Mario, I go in there because I eat my dinner in the people them bathroom. I tell her, say,
that's good.
If they clean and smell good, me have to say, Lord, me have to go tell my husband, me have to call all my mother and show her in the little place. So it Mario clean. Yes, no, sir.
Let me tell you what the
It's a
problem is,
usual thing in
Lashika.
Canada still, you know. It's a usual thing in
Yes.
Canada to have these
Yes.
kind of facilities, thing like that. But
Yes.
just took me probably by surprise. I don't know why.
Let me tell you what the government, and when we say the government, a local government thing, you know, is a local authority. You see, one of the things that they got to ensure, Lashika, is that like every 5 years or 6 years, the sanitary convenience to the public is refurbished because it has heavy traffic. And as such, you find, I'm not going to say the scrupulous people, but also the heat of Jamaica and all of that called tile for drop off. The next thing where we want to implement is automated system where a man not have a flush a toilet or a thing. I not say it not the day enough, but we think we need to do it a little more, drop some concession on it, make public facilities have these things. You know? Rather than a man use the urinal and him have to press it, make the sensor pick him up, and as he move, it flush itself. And some of these things can use recycled water. So you capture back the water and you use it back in the toilet, not in the face basin, in the toilet and in the urinal. So that the water expense is monitored or controlled. You get what I mean? So we don't make that a deterrent to
You
say
know,
we are going to get high water.
but there is another way around that. Because me agree with where's up to the point of the recycled water.
Yes.
Here in the States, one of the things I know they practice is the rate for water is different for business owner as it is for residential property. So if you know it's a business who provide public restrooms and all of that, give them a special rate to facilitate their water usage.
You have a point. But let me tell you why I say recycle. When you go into some of these places, and my field is within construction buildings, right? And
How that?
when you go into these buildings and you understand the principle from which, like you see these heap of water business run buildings in Florida, especially big buildings. In Travis?
I'm listening. Listening. Today I want to make the afternoon, so
these water go back.
Boy with me.
These water go back, go recycle and use in the areas them, I tell you.
Yeah, man.
So even though,
right, you see, so my water fountains in this community that I was living in, it's recaptured water and then use it for the sprinklers also. So I understand what you're saying.
Exactly. So it's not that people are gonna use it for drink, but we have to kind of modernize the system because guess what happened? During dry time, we can't use the same water where we not recycle, but we filtered for drinking for these purposes. Kind of necessary. And then you know how the ecosystem stay at Jamaica, drought and da. So how do we still manage this kind of business and make people have the domestic water and still have that? That's where I am taking it from.
It's a great idea, and I think one that will work for the Kingston metropolitan area. It's up at the part where them have water issues, and when you reach summer, you know, the availability of the commodity is kind of lower than normal. It would work for that area. It would work for that area.
And you talk about Kingston, you see halfway tree need a parking lot, Munchie. Halfway tree, you see right way. I don't know if the government sell a piece of land there yet or it's still owned by the government. You see where Ministry of Housing is in a Migla halfway tree, Munchie. I don't know if it's sell yet. Maybe me not see it for about 1 year now or less. But a piece of land there to turn into a 5-6 level parking lot. Yeah? So that you can have a better monitoring of the traffic. Right? Where people can pay for that.
New Travis, they can't look at the baby, they might give Travis be a problem. One baby, I'm a rock your world. 115 months time I tear down the place.
Excuse me. Yeah. Yo, when my wife left my son with him, he might turn 1 next month. Because I pray if he's going back home. Why I wrap my nerves at this place.
After he did
Wow.
that traffic company live that when you beat traffic body, the traffic can't even say 2 sentences good.
My son,
Material.
Sometimes when me leave work like midnight and then me come home and then my wife have to go 8 o'clock and I see what that boy the whole day. And then you know believe in a sleep. But guys,
Work after work.
Me I beat PNP for a morning because me see Julian Robinson, PNP and Mark Wallen come up with this 4E, right? And when you check, you realize about our visionary Prime Minister, the mastercraft of what is happening in Jamaica, plan was stolen. This man was in the opposition chair in 2012 of October when he comes up with the 5E. Julian Robinson stole everything except the environment because you don't believe in the environment, right? So that's the environment part and come with 4E. But listen to our Prime Minister.
I think that there are 5 areas that Jamaica must focus on. I call it the 5 E's. For the next 50 years. We must focus on education. We must focus on our economy. We must focus on our energy problems. We must focus on our environment, an area which is often ignored, but will become increasingly important in the next 50 years as we continue to degrade our resources on which economic progress is built. We must also focus on efficiency.
Yo, the man them teeth, everything are line to line, the man them teeth, you know? The man them teeth with word for word, line to line, the only thing we're industrial environment. Eh?
So but then tell us that them are teeth though. God, no, they're not planning to win the next election. I can't tell you. Because they are going to get beaten for this God.
17 of the things that when the man come out yesterday to Parliament already been done by the government. So why should we change the visionary Dr. Andrew Holness or Mark Golding when Mark Golding already acknowledged that the Jamaican government is doing a beautiful job? If you can come blatant, you know the problem is, Bridget, I think what happened to the PNP and whoever wrote that plan, the Mark Golding, they weren't paying attention to Jamaica. They spent so many at the time, so much of their time hell bent on destroying one person, which is Dr. Andrew Holness, that they forgot that it was happening in Jamaica. They forgot about the other 48 members of parliament and all the other key areas that is taking care of Jamaica. So they were caught flat-footed. So whoever wrote this plan, the Mark Golding come out parliament with, why is supposed to beat them sick right now? Whoever give thing that the plan, never think say, yo, we ever find we not forget nothing.
Find this. No, but but look here, is it that this is what they want to do because they realize that these plans are very good and they just playing to see because them think that Jamaican people are idiots, you know, and them underestimate this set of labor right people between the age of between the age of 25 and 50. Them underestimate these people so much. People like all you. You understand? And them think them can do the free-to-air transmission and think it is effective. And I remember said data out there. But them a play a game. It's a game them a play. It not gonna work. Cause Andrew go beat them tomorrow. Oh God, me shame. Me sorry for them come tomorrow though, you know, my brother.
That for sure you say if they come with Andrew plan, right? Andrew go beat them sick tomorrow.
Jesus God.
Andrew go beat them sick tomorrow. Guaranteed. Tomorrow then time I'm just wait. Tomorrow I work from home.
Sheikah, Sheikah, I was about to say, you know me off tomorrow, right? You know me off tomorrow.
Afternoon at 3 o'clock, me left work still, 3:30.
But 3:30, he just start Mario coming, but say we want to ahead.
Yeah, man. 3:30, me left work.
Can't distract me tomorrow. Not even work.
God.
I'll 2 o'clock call in 3 o'clock, me calling sick for your side there, not well. Hello?
You know, so that's why PMP worried.
Tomorrow, me I wake up early,
the PM
do my
strong.
little exercise, make me breakfast, you know. Make sure you got daycare tomorrow. Me not have time for you.
But guys, let me say this to you. If you look at the budget presentation from Bruce Golding Ocean prior to I'll tell you in a minute. Prior to the 2007 general election and prior to the 2016 general election, you notice that all those budget presentation moved the meter. This one from
Me not hear the
Mark
last
Gold.
word where you say.
I'm just saying the budget presentation from Bruce Golding in 07 prior to the election and to Honest in 2016 prior to the election, all of those moved the meter, you know. 2016 I did February, so I should have said 2015, my apologies. All of those budget presentation moved the meter where it engaged the people into thinking that say, yes, this is a prospective government. Yesterday we don't get none of that, you know. We get a PNP presentation, a conference at the arena. When you really look at it, nothing of substance is there. Because today that is not even having us or even them engaging in any sensible conversation to say, where are we going with this? All I can see from my layman's point of view is the man go just destroy the NIR. That's all I can see. Nothing else. Over to you, bosses. Do you think? Gonna work here now. Later, big up in yourselves.
I just say you stay like the Prime Minister, just can't drop something and just left it. And it have so much substance in it.
Me you talking, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right, continue. All right. Could drill me down a little bit. Me about 5 more minutes. Go on talk.
Me not think me hear it. Hold on. We hear from that person up at top so with the Jamaican French flag.
No, we not hear from him, man.
But then see, you guys have a conversation, so me never bother to disturb you guys. Me couldn't go on. But in serious and in fact. This is nothing. This is supposed to have we get so engaged this morning to say, look at what they are coming to oppose. Up till now, when
them base and supporters is not engaged. You talk about we. What about them base and supporters that is not engaged, inspired or anything?
Exactly. Them no have no sense, you know. So you know, but no waste no time. I waste powder upon black, but I no disrespect to our black color. Because them now go come tell you not because if you try to engage them, them go start to get disrespectful. So no make no sense. It's kind of sad. So we have here engage each other who are from the same political ilk. However, the man no come with nothing yesterday because it's like the man come start cuss and from start to finish. In the end, when I time they see Andrew G in a steer, it's like he wanted to box him down from over there. But me I said, do Andrew just sit down and get up walk most today. Thursday is here. Today.
Twice me right in it, you know. Say, boy, Andrew, just hold it. Don't say a word. Because, look here, you feel no, what Mark had do yesterday, I tried beat Andrew, you know. And yesterday, the part where I talk about the SSL and the arm.
And you, Prime Minister, you.
Yes.
You did it. Master, what's your?
Yeah. So, me like how the Labour Party show a big leadership position yesterday. When and Juliet Cuthbert did have to get up as a Portmore resident.
All right, Mario,
understand that.
Can I just interrupt you here? Great minds think alike, because I was just going to move there to say that that book where she booked Mark Golding, you know, up till today, that threw him off track, you know. That threw him off track, that he couldn't even come back. The stride that he was on, he couldn't even come back in his stride.
Exactly.
As an opposition leader, who should have access to all the information, should have to come back to counter her. But he couldn't even do that.
What did he say?
Say, Lord, I don't know you.
No, yes, and I don't know about that. Which, if you're noticing, hang down his head when he said that, you know.
Exactly.
So you know a damn lie, I tell. Continue.
Exactly. No, man, me rest for me. I'm needing to interrupt you. Go on.
Good afternoon, panel. Winner, Mario, Nashika.
Yeah, man, we're there, man.
Blessings.
Yo, so what me I say now?
Hey, 100 live.
According to my assessment, this man imposed terrorism on the country, the nation. Right? My grandmother tells me, "See, promises are comfort to a fool." So anybody who looking at these plethora of promises and find any comfort that speaks volume to you, right? This man say he might go stop the $11 million where structure the budget. The structure of the budget of the country is a part of the structure, the financial structure of the budget. He's gonna stop it, right? So if you stop that there and you not outline where you are get your money from, where the money come from?
Rig Trigger just answer you.
Miss a Rig Trigger. Miss him answer.
Yeah, him tell us it come from the reserve. And it now go last more than a couple of weeks and the money done.
Exactly.
And the money,
the money
we
about 24 weeks.
Up in a bankruptcy.
We have about 24 weeks. 24 weeks, sir.
So we have to go back to taxation and borrowing. That's it right
We
there.
have to go back to taxation and borrowing. For him get comfort. He must go stop the $11 million. We undermine the facts of their budget debate, the two of them budget, the opposition financial leader. We undermine film facts. Him no put out no digits. Then him come now as a second one. Him just a give teacher right? And no backings. So we as a nation, we can't so careless, as much as we have kids, we picnic come to you and say that they want this, or you have to know, say no, because that's out of budget. If I find myself with a little, you that nice, me give away you want, but responsibility have to in every spending. We have to have structure and balance, and that's the trajectory where country depend. And this man impose his promises to try comfort probably himself, because no it makes sense to that. So he must put the head towards bankruptcy. So I call him a terrorist.
I agree. Look here, I am so proud of Jamaica right now. Even if I 10 away, I am so proud that we can sit down. Because you hear what you say a while ago, you talk about budgeting, looking at the development of the family. And you realize what this man has put forward. Because that's how American thinking, brother. What this man has put forward is not going to benefit us economically as a family, right? Because he's going to sink back the economy and take away my money through taxation and do all of these cruel things to me. But this is great educational information, I'm glad for you,
You have to look on it, bro. You have to look on it, say too much sweets don't good. You understand? You have to have balance in it. You can't just...
Yes, I hear diabetes.
And then the middle class typically carry the bulk of tax burden. You can imagine the little increase where you guys get in the public sector now being asked to pay more. Remember, PNP said Jamaica must up, Jamaica have a crisis problem in terms of standard of living, and they go add tax for the backs of the people while destroying the NIR. The man is an enemy of Jamaica, brethren.
Then a terrorism talk me give from
terrorism.
A long time I talk to PNP is an enemy of the state. I've been saying it, Mark Golding and England, they are enemies of the state. And improved it yesterday.
You know how responsible my prime minister is. Guess when you win the election in 2016. The man say we have to go drink bitter medicine, bro. And right? Realism, and people, me I debated with my friend them and say realism in say country have to go back first, we have to go draw with gear. And the man promised that we are gonna reach 60% debt to GDP ratio. We are on that trajectory right now where they are 64. Right? And the man prioritize paying off the debt. Gold in a thought say we are paid it off too fast.
Whether they are 64 one life.
68. Yeah, man.
60.
68.
Yeah,
Yeah, 68. All right. So we have the trajectory.
And when he talk about bitter medicine, it was 2011 and he lost the election.
Yeah, 2012.
He lost the
Yeah,
election because he said that.
But people see it for real. In a
He
20s.
forecast that hard times are ahead and people never want to accept it.
Yes.
People never want to accept it. But in this,
Yeah, until it reached.
he kind of reiterates a little bit funny in a 2016, but he never did go as step. Because he kind of did do people did hate Porsche, people did over Porsche. And he did come.
No, because of the bitter medicine where we get. And the bitter medicine cost that in on this. He say, Andrew did tell them. All right, for sure. Here we are. All right, look now. Andrew in a opposition and sit down and come up with 1.5 for beat PNP. Don't it? Because that's the art, you know. Andrew come up with 1.5 or for beat PNP. What PNP come with for beat, Andrew, make we think about it. Nothing a damn tall. My God almighty.
The only thing new where this man presents that is independent of them is that they want to put Bob Marley as
But that's not new. That's not new 100 live.
Yeah,
That's not new. Let me tell you where you heard him said it before. You remember last year budget presentation when the government walk out of parliament because he want to get disrespectful with Andrew's wife. And outside, when he went outside, he uttered those same words when he was outside talking to the people and the media. And in talk about Usain Bolt then, and in come and in talk about Usain Bolt now. You understand me? The PNP didn't bring anything new. That's why last night when we go up on live, me put it the caption as same old, because they didn't bring anything new. They didn't bring anything new. It's just the same political speeches.
I understand. Baseline, outlining 1 and 2 baseline. Okay, we have 10 hosts, we're gonna make 20, right? We have zinc fence, we're gonna knock them down. I understand them look foolish, but when you are
that's
talking
not new
like,
either.
You know,
that's not new to either 100 live.
The point, no, them not new, but the point to me try to make me a listen for you tell me say you have an infrastructure development pending. Like you ever tell me say, oh, me struck a deal with Germany where we can have a German
policies. Yeah, look at policies.
Things will move the country. I don't want to come with a little party shop thing, bro. You understand? Me, I look for you to come tell me, say, me strike a deal with BMW manufacturer, we're going to three factory. And them is already in a development. Nobody come with them little thing there where we already have a go on. Right? Because he want to sound like him a genie. I said this morning. He thinks that when he going to, God forbid, he going to office tomorrow or next day, everything will out like a process start run. And that's how this thing work, bro. Everything is a process and we in a good redevelopment. And film plan of, as I say from morning, film plan have come approve the constitution and implement film thing and put the country. We as civilians have to go wait for Mark Golding policy them. You get what I say? To get implemented and wait to see him will start roll before we start.
Remember, you know, everything him talking 100 live, he say I, you know, say we, you know. He say I.
Yeah, that me I tell you, bro. We know as citizens have to go sit down on backbench and wait till Mark Golding kick out who will kick out of office. And hire who him for hire. You get what I say? So who will I go pampas for PNP?
Exactly, and the last 2 times I saw we do it, you know, because you have to reset. For them thing, because they can't do maths, you know, me keep telling people. Tell them to go out, they go recite and say something and make it sound very nice and attractive. They have the ability. But when they are to play with numbers and to think outside of the box and be creative in terms of development, then don't have it. But you see, if you give them something, and say, tell the people how great it is. Then tell you, then find the best lie them to tell you. You notice how Mark Golding attack on your dry yesterday, and he is so devious. You notice the speaker, the host never come in yesterday. And I'm so happy about that too. Because I don't like, you see a man wife and you see women as a man, to me, when you disrespect a woman, it's like you take the thing down to a next level underground. whether a politics or not. You get me, I say? When me we stand up with a man and certain things me not want to say to a woman, so me walk away. And when me hear how this man disrespect the Prime Minister wife, me I say, she no star. And him no member say him is a white man attack to a black woman. That burn me. That burn me all the while.
Draw TV. So you get desperate. You dip on partner Draw TV tonight. Get desperate, man. The desperation a sink in. In speech couldn't generate enough support and buzz around in name in Ghana partner Draw TV. Interesting.
As a nation, people more responsible right now. Nobody know a chap to them little gimmicks the way it come up.
Hold up. Where's Gun Panchabi?
But the next time say man go from partner Draw TV
see a man we say yo weak jelly back man. You see a man we say yo anyhow they set you and say you shape up. You weak.
Yeah. Jelly back. For sure the type of leadership where him going to have.
The man spineless.
For sure the type of leadership where you going to get from him. Or you getting from him.
Who is partner Draw TV? The man up at Jamaica something and that. Why am I going with? You can't hear from him and Mr. West. If them not that, them need to jump out of the back.
I just see a man who love talk about people straight. And because him and this Sterling the other day. When you see the straightness of the man, he got his quaking and shaking. And you got a man live where the man not straight.
Mark a fish.
The man does
Mr. Westmoreland, more I hear Mr. Westmoreland I say.
Yeah, man.
Mr. Westmoreland, what says you, sir?
The other day, I see one of the vloggers them were lean when transition the power political platform and the man named Jappy Bujo Bantan. Bombay, Baina, Mr. Rock. Many people in there code and jump. Mr. Rock, yes, sir. And then top vlogger. Aline.
Yeah, twist up. A reverse.
I sat a fish.
That well known man. A big
that's how we say partner Draw friend.
That's how we say a fish fry and Marie Vaz I go have. A fish fry should have fish fry.
God. Yo, speaking of that, you see last night Golden spilling beans, man. Cause all along you maroon them and move around them, you know. So me always wonder how come the maroon man them and move around this one. He's spilling beans, man. Say a ganja man them play. Because they were gonna just hot my big ganja on them.
But look, you know, brother, and not say the maroon man them. I want you see. They behind him.
Yeah. For that when name the not even me not so good with names, but
no, you no worry. I the same man, and him alone. Because him one of them house slave, you know. Him a house slave, you know. So him a carry out the work of massa. Remember that. I saw him a live.
But remember, say he used to work for the massa, you know. He used to work for the massa. So
exactly.
Exactly. I mean, I say, oh, this is one I say, man, maroon and a rally road, white man. So I first turn off that, you know.
You know, he's a smart youth.
If me know what they tell me about maroon in a primary school, this man I should not end that for a white man to be leader.
Yes. And you dash with the black man.
That's a black man, white man. This one they tell me say, I will leave a buy up man because him look on that as more vote, but basically him have plans to give them a constitution right to establish a state. So them are gonna have a state within a state under the PNP.
Not even the Seminole tribe they have it, but it's not a state. Would it be a state? Like each of the Indian tribe them have it, where they have their own police, but they benefit off of the local system. But me don't know how you gonna have a state within a state.
You can't have that no make sense. That's not possible. That's not possible.
What is it? What is the maroon population? And do they contribute to the tax coffers right now? Because if they are contributing and then Margot, they make them a state within a state, they are no longer contributing to our tax net. Therefore, the additional tax would have to be burdened by the remainder of the Jamaican forces.
Yes.
More load to carry, people.
Anyway,
hey, me I go run left for now, you know, cause me have to go do a little study, you know.
All right.
So go and hold it. Last shaker. Me have to go hear the big
Mario.
man tomorrow.
You know, if you ask that, me did it for me
yes, man. Yes,
all right. Little more people. Go and hold down the thing. Politics. Big up yourself.
And that's why they don't push out the PNP, they push out because them afraid of Andrew. Listen, they afraid of him, because they don't know him I come with.
I'm not asking if they're not afraid of Andrew.
He might come with something that is transformational that when people that will look at Margot.
We get a call today now, but me tell the person say me have to call them back. I keep calling now, but when we know later now, when got out, me go a year with the scoop ago.
That is it.
You know, I come down already.
I be a laugh, boss, a laugh in the parliament. You just a laugh.
Yeah. Like how they hold him together, so you know, spot.
Yeah, no react to everything where I do and make him bounce off of the energy and get vibe and feel good. Because that kind of work look a bit for Julian at first now when Favor go at him and he say, hey, and I go on like him tough. And then when Desmond say never say something, I say, we have to receive that and this and that. So this time it's alright.
Time I see.
Every
time I look, me see.
How would this know me say?
When time I look, me see Vaz.
Deputy Premier is still saying, right?
When I time I look, me see Vaz, me see Bartlett, me see Favor, me say, yeah man, and hold him together. Hold him.
Make sure Mark Golden make it get a reaction out of him. Oh God, man. Mark Golden.
Yes, that would have taken over a budget debate.
Yo, you know who now make this up film development Flight Green now only month one them man. Flight Green say we have everything in process already. Flight Green now make them go in the agriculture minister.
Yeah man, and that's how the minister should be. You should be sharp and be on top of your work and your game, information, internet spread no little misinformation quickly. And that's why they never like Nigel Clark, because me tell you something. There's no guessing with Nigel Clark. As they open their mouth, notice them posture is different. When they want to hype up and favor, they never try that shit with Nigel. Because they know them and they know a ministry inside out. And when I try, I'm sure you say this is something where they always try. I'll bring you back to when with the PAC what they with when him Paul well, thinking that Darrell don't know what is going on in the negotiation. And I ask you one question and I push you one narrative. When the man say, oh, I mean know about what? You want the receipt, you want the letter? I get your copy. I shut him down.
Yes.
Send him back to rubbing shit because they love these things. He had his secret stuff where they have.
Thing that I say him submit the report long ahead of time. Spent 6 months prior to the negotiation with JP. So that's your talk about.
Yeah man, so I say yo Flight, I love how Flight they on top of his ministry and know it as them try to push the misinformation in there right there to push back, and that's how all the ministers should be. They on top of them game.
They did it Favor too, but that Favor has a strong team. Remember Favor is new to the ministry, that's why they're gonna try the full system. But you can realize our team strong.
Favor not combative, Favor very smart. She very smart. She knows her numbers, but she's not combative.
Kind of naive to the malicious nature of politics. When she grabs that, then you are going to see, she gets.
She's not naive. She's not naive.
She's just not combative, bro. Wouldn't say naive. She's just not combative.
Maybe be naive on the right word. Maybe she doesn't have a timid nature about her.
She's just not combative, bro. She's just not combative.
So when you know say lick down bricks and black front car away. Just make so nice never did it still. Oh gosh. I'll see you Nigel the red card. Red card. Yeah, good dude. Don't not tell me say right now. Over full assessment I debated the only new thing when they have a tops and roses still. That people tell me, nothing new, no.
Me say they can't even agree on the things they propose. Because while he must say are creatives and film industry and tops and roses, you have one of their spokespersons.
Cheap out.
Hello, everybody.
Yeah, reggae boys, what's up? Right.
Give thanks, no? So hold on. Me a general I make a speech. Me make a talk a while ago about the indigenous people them and the maroon business and them something. What you say? What you say this thing I go. Me and no call where brother the name? Where him name? Like a 4-4 brother just up in an orange color them over there so like him and like in Santa Claus.
Which one? The moral leader?
No man, the maroon leader a cartoon man. We are talking about the orchestrator of the cartoon characters them man. The one where I saw your name. I don't know them no brother. I just know you puppet them by name. Yeah, me say I don't know you puppet them by name brother. Me I tell us I know them by character. So
Yeah.
The same character, the same one matter. Yeah. So I mean like cause they must say L.A. Lewis a madman, you know. But L.A. Lewis is a man where he little bit sensible, little bit more sensible than them where them are going. Because you want me know. How can you involve indigenousness in a politics, brother, that you are going to take it up in your hand and talk about your endorse maroon? If you are going to endorse maroon, tell us something. You have Maroon Town. Yes, a compound town is a Maroon Town, but you have other Maroon Town. But you also have the Maroon Village, which you FEMA win out the Maroon Village 1980 by a landslide. I never see the landslide that them say is a landslide. But this time we want to win out the Maroon Village as a greenwash. You hear me I say? Because what curry and black pepper and meat seasoning and all the easy spice people them don't know that this is the grandnephew of the second Prime Minister of Jamaica who represent Jamaica Labour Party. And JLP don't just mean Jamaica Labour Party, it means justice, love, and peace. So we get it right. This is Sir Honorable Donald Sangster, grandnephew, here talking. And I said, Curry have no more say than I. I am a Maroon chief, but I don't make myself a nuisance. I don't get involved in politics. Like try to have my tribe separating and dividing. That's not about indigenousness. Indigenousness is unity. So the day you think that you can choose a tribe to go against the Jamaica Labour Party, you're gonna have two charges against you. One is treason, and the next one will beat you for a reason.
But yo, we must say Curry not gonna be JLP now because we don't have no underground negotiation that we go on with none of this.
We don't need him in the jail. Let me tell you something. We don't need him in the Jamaica Labour Party. What we need them to do is just stay away from us. We don't need them. You get what I say? We now use people. And we now involve ourselves in a no nastiness where we never used to involve in a before. And them in a dirt. So leave them alone. Let's focus on Westmoreland and getting it green. Let's focus. Because we have few tribe down here, so and few tribe I say green. Are the Songsters tribe me having? Me have the Songsters tribe. Did you know that Songsters have a tribe?
No, Donald Sangster.
Donald Sangster is my grand uncle, but he's not the only Sangster. Because if you talk about the Sangsters, you would realize that Sangsters are one of the non-Jewish name that has never been used in slavery, neither by slave master nor by slaves. But we were always the singers.
Yeah, but I believe that comment by Charlie Brown, because I first white, I first maroon and see right around white. So I tribe them to sell black people to white people.
Well, see what means that neither Corey nor the people that we have for like not understand nothing about the maroon life or the maroon rights or anything like that. Them don't even know who is the maroon. Me not defend no maroon in that kind of way. Me defend indigenousness because me is Moors, and me defend maroon and Tano as people who are indigenous to the land. But me not go in no politics with no. So me have to go kill maroon. I'm in a British. No sir. Me have to go fight against maroon. I'm in a British. Maroon can't in this. It's a violation for a tribe to involve themselves in politics.
All right, I believe that too. I know it's
a violation, of course. It's a violation. It's a violation. They're not supposed to involve themselves in a politics. What the maroon them for do is just keep them ass quiet and just live for them life for them way and just do what them have to do and leave people alone. Maroon want to involve themselves in too much things now where them never used to involve in it. You want your place, take your place, do what you want to do with it and turn over there somewhere. We know just stop get trouble. Not get no trouble, man. Because over here, you know what we're doing over here. We're trying to progress. And we're trying to do successful things over here. I mean, like, we are not here because the PNP is there. No, we were always here. We were always here. I said Donald Sangster is the Labour right, and he's the second Prime Minister of Jamaica. The second. History can tell you. And you don't see that Andrew Holiness right now is actually moving like Donald Sangster. Check his movements and check the image and everything. Look at it closely. So bro God, now tribe, one of the tribe member, he's just walking in the righteous path that a tribe would have walked. And in no competition with nobody for him think different. And look here, as we here talking, we need a message because we know say here is a platform when you're having certain kind of political problems, you need to take it to this platform. And I'm just saying this because you know say everything real. I love how that go on, I'm not go deny. We having a problem at Water Commission in Crossroads, you know. We're having a big problem at Water Commission in Crossroads. At Water Commission in Crossroads, we're having a big problem with this guy Finnegan or whoever he want to name, you know. So somebody need to talk to him, you know, or get Mr. Holiness to go talk to him, you know, because there is a situation going on over there where he's trying to penalize a very important labor right over there. He is trying to penalize a very important labor right. For what reason, I don't know. But he needs to be talked to. He needs to know who he might violate, because he don't know. He might violate who the grandnephew of Sir, the Right Honorable Sir Donald Sangster. You can't violate those people. Those people are royal. You honor those people. And if a person like that come to do a 9-to-5 job around you, or come to do a trade work around you, you give them what is theirs and treat them respectfully, because those people don't even have to work. They have inheritance and they don't even know. Because people don't tell them.
In reality, though, everybody should be treated with respect. Once you work, you get everyone.
Yes.
And you should be respected. That's it.
Yes.
That's everybody.
Yes.
Not some people, whether royal or not.
No. I'm not saying that some people.
Everybody.
I'm talking about the situation at Crossroad.
I understand, my brother. I understand, my brother.
I just that directly. Yes.
And I'm saying it's not because of who you are. Respect should be granted to you. Because of where you come from or whatever, respect should be granted to you.
If it's someone that give respect and it's not given unto you, I'm going to step in. Yeah. I don't care. I am going to step in. And I'm gonna care who you are. I want to know who you are, because I'm not going to give my respect to someone who don't deserve it. So I got to know who you are. It's got to be who you are getting my respect. Because I don't give respect to people who don't need respect.
So, respectfully, sir. Hello, everybody. Greetings, manners, and respect. Respectfully, can I ask a question about the budget speech from Mark Golding? Oh no, the speech from Mark Golding. It's political speech. I don't know if we've gone back to politics yet or forget Prime Minister.
Go ahead.
Oh, okay. Thank you. All right. So, I ask, did anybody take note how many fund them say them a create? We need to go through that speech and count them enough. My brain can't take it in our need and do it, but we can't bother. Yeah, that's it, Travis.
Committees and funds for this and fund for that.
Yep. So many, multiple. And also, more ask all of the intelligent people listening in listeners' land. What happens when government intervene in the housing market, a free market, when them start set up things? What happens? What do you think happens? To house prices, mainly.
Crush.
All right, go up. If government to them are guaranteed to help people with funds, give them deposits.
And I just say housing market. Remember, so they say them are going to the banking sector, government interference.
Remind me about that one, because I'm in and out of
we know
listening.
FinSac 2.0 this. We can expect FinSac 2.0.
Remind me when you say about that, because I never had listen in and out,
Him say them are going to make it because predominantly deposits goes to two large players in the banking segment. Them say them are going to regulate it and them are going to make it so that everybody have a fair chance and all of the other depositing collecting institution has a chance, and it does go to the big two.
So then we're going to start being a free market then. We're going to start being a free market economy. We're going to start regulate everything. That's ridiculous.
That night, let me tell you something. Julian Robinson's wife, she used to be this, I don't know if she's still the CEO of First Global Bank. So you can tell where all of that is coming from. And remember, say Mark Golding still have ties too. Remember, say them come with proven bank as well, as according to what me here. So you know how it go.
Oh, okay.
Hey,
Oh,
you can say something?
yeah, go ahead, sir. Go ahead.
Them are going to have a lot of plans, but them not going to have no time. Them not going to get no chance to show you what them are talk about. So don't worry about it. We just have to steadfast and we winnings. And the win we are talking about. Because if we don't focus on winning,
I'm not worried. What we have to do is
hold on there that night. It's not just us, You see the gullible people that will buy into these things. We have to warn them of the danger.
Exactly.
Thank you very much.
That's what I was about to say, Travis. The people that come over here and say, we're not talk about it, we're not sound like, we're not worried. We're just warning them. warning them that you need to try before you buy. Be careful. Be careful of these shafters. As them are come selling a pussy in a bag. Be careful. All right.
Right.
Even
Just sounding the alarm as the watchman, we see danger. So we have to warn the city, let them know what is going on. You understand me?
Chocho. I know what? This is the 26th, may I keep a seafood jamboree the 26th right here next week Wednesday. Me want to stream it live, but me want one box. That's me want to know for the then. That's we can talk because you see here a lot of PNP. They say a lot of very few, but a lot. This is where Mr. Lawrence say I have a problem. So what me do? Me grade down from my place and put it level and say when you want to keep me, you can keep it here. So me always an advocate. Me about to put up my flag and everything now. You know what I mean? Some would have like plug to the box.
Not respect, I like that.
Wednesday.
In true.
And I like plug to the box Wednesday. I make we can dash out some speech and you know what I mean? Let the people them know so we present, you know? Yeah, respect on, you know, you're good. Alright, big up the little one for me here.
What area Eastern Westmoreland are located?
Me there a bag between Darliston and White House.
I know exactly about this. When I'm friend, some of my friends used to live in Bag. We have sleepover at their house a couple of times, you know. I know exactly where Bag is. We enter right at Sandals White House, you know, turn right as I come up on the road all the way up in the countryside.
Yeah, man. So you have Beeston Spring down the lower part of Beeston Spring down there, so already green, you know. It down there so green, you know. So we have paint come up. We have paint go back to round all the way around to Belmont. We kind of have round so people. We just have 1 and 2 little streak left to the paint because we already prime out the whole of Westmoreland. Westmoreland prime out, you know.
Yeah, man, but hear this though. You see that constituency, you need to remind the people that constituency served the longest serving Prime Minister Jamaica has ever have, you know. And what is his legacy in that constituency?
Who that you talk about?
Pattison.
All the while I talk about Labour right now come with no PNP. I don't want to hear about that brother. Yes, I'm come from. No, Mr. Him. No, go there, so. No, not all. Forward we are going. How we are going to go forward? That no, I don't want dumb donkey kick me. I now go back.
All right. I hear you. Danny Lawrence.
That's why I mean.
Danny Lawrence. That's it.
Yes.
Danny Lawrence is going forward with. All right, so I hear you.
Focus. We want Danny Lawrence as some more. See, all right, listen, this is my strategy when I use. You see, all our mother them when I raise children around here. We have little children when I go to school. Yeah. Me want to make sure say if I even one sweetie me have to give them. Me want to encourage them more than everybody else because the youths are the future. You hear me I say? And we have to go use the youth them to shape the community because right now the whole big old horse they ain't done they can't read. And if you notice PNP always a recruit dunce. I don't know why.
You don't know why? You know, look. You know, see why? You got yourself. We are
taking care of the little youths them and the mother them because them are the majority in the community. So you told the PNP them are some big old man where don't have no use and don't have no sense and then can't get them thing together. You might have somebody with a little money and they say, hey, we have PNP come here, I have little money. But you don't have nobody that will really have what it takes, like the mother them. So the mother them run this community, so then we have to focus on. The mother them
so all the
young children.
Here, what the people them must say? What they must say down there?
The people them must say, right now, the whole of them must say, Reggae Prime Minister right now, because they don't know if he say, because they don't see nobody now come here. Nobody now see them, they don't see nobody.
Yeah. So the MP then, and the councillor.
The councillor is a PNP. He now go come here. You have to teach and he well occupy because them only go, remember say the comrades them, you know. Them go off a position. You say if he's a JP and he's a comrade, you just keep on being a JP. You don't have no work for them. More just being a JP and thief things. Just go thief things. You get me? I say, if, for example, say we are run pipe to run water in our Westmoreland. If it's a comrade, you can just go pull up the pipe them and say your Prime Minister said it. And you can just pull them up and no water again. You know what I mean? Yeah. So
the situation
sound deep. But Mr. Lawrence, no. You say you don't have a lot on him plate. You know, I say you don't have a lot on him plate. But me already me call him the other day and me tell him say me fix up one place out there where you can have a meeting without you have to go over the center where they claim is a People's National Party Center, which is a community center. You get what I say? And so we don't want to have the this and that. Me provide my own place at Songsters Cafe. Songsters Cafe for my own property. I don't know if I can do anything more than that right now. I mean, I try to help out the little people them and I make them know say me want them help me paint. So right now, me have people, everybody want a paintbrush now and they have their tin of paint. They're ready to contribute. But they want to know which part they have to put the paint. And they come like and say, nobody know they have to come direct.
So what about the JLP representative? They don't come?
Huh?
A JLP representative? You guys don't have any JLP representative there?
Of course we have a JLP representative. We have Mr. Lawrence. We have Mr. Danny Lawrence. But Mr. Danny Lawrence alone can't do everything. And Mr. Danny Lawrence alone can't really get them a people. Like
but what is the problem then?
The name alone can't get it. He have to come out. He have to go come. You can't just visit few people them alone. You have to visit the one them where you want to convert. And then you have to really actually pay close attention to. You know
yeah, but what the problem down there? What the people need? What they need? What
people need water. People they need the people they need water. They need their water.
Road, yeah. West.
I say they need water. I know just yesterday they need water. They need water for a long time.
From PNP,
but they have
from
difficulties.
PJ time, yeah.
Okay, so what are the plans with that? In the Senate, nobody in the Senate?
Well, me here say plans if you run water or something, you know, but me I tell you, the people ain't want to go water in the meantime. Some the people can't wait till pipe and there's something wrong. The next thing I'm gonna want proper plumbing because I see you are going. The Sandals Hotel, the right at the foot at the entrance there, so Sandals Hotel. Where for them solid waste go? In the sea where we are catching the food out, where we are getting food. That's how we used to go and do our fishing. We can't do it there no more. But they don't have a recycling factory. Or they don't have like a solid waste factory for that hotel. And for no farm of solid waste that is around this area. And all the scheme that they're building out there. Where does the solid waste gonna go? Into the ocean? So might as well they construct a solid waste factory where you can actually have proper plumbing throughout the community from Darliston to White House, Culloden, come back round to Belmont, Bluefields, come to farm, come around, and make everybody comfortable by building a solid waste and a recycling factory. Both of those factories relevant.
Well, Mr. Prime Minister, you have to go tell them to just be patient, you know?
No, I guess
$24 water project sign off, so you just have to just be patient, you know?
I guess that they need the same development like what they do for St. Elizabeth now. And the thing about it,
everything sign off, everything I just have to be patient, you know?
You know that now.
Yeah, but
patient we are used
now. Look exactly.
Patient we are used. No, we not run out of patient. We run out of patient from 1981. We run out of patient. But we still await. Just
remember, you know, that was one of the longest serving Prime Minister constituency. I'm sorry, again, we have to go back there. So if them can put it
community don't mean a political thing. Community don't mean political.
No, but that is the thing, and that is the thing for me. Just a minute. That is the thing with me, and I don't get with PNP either. They have the constituencies them, and they're not doing anything in the constituencies, but yet still they want to run the country.
And
what is that PNP? Because They're debating about this Portmore not being a parish, and St. Catherine alone have 2 mayors. The 2 mayors are PNP, and they are not doing anything for the parish. 2 mayors, we have 2 mayors. St. Catherine, PNP them, and them not
good.
the parish.
It's all good, man. Me know what me I do, you know. Me I tell everybody, you know. Me I read the politics out of my village. Oneness, me say, because if it now work for we, then we have to go try something different. So we have to just leave politics alone. I'm going to tell Daniel Lawrence already, me say, look here. If you can't win down here, so nobody else can run down here. I tell you that, you know. If you can't win, nobody else can run. So if you now go win, no other side can run. It's going to be a maroon village now. So when me hear them at all maroon in politics, me I wonder where them at all because maroon cannot in politics. I would have like them try that. Make I get feel lock up Curry and the whole of them.
To me, Curry use badmanism with pan the little era where him have. In bad
government badness are going on. You know, see how I go on now and a dance ship again.
Bad people them over there.
That a go on government badness. Through that go through Andrew go say name bro God now. Everybody want to prove. That me I try to tell you. Government badness a go on. See right now, they when name the boy Buckman, a cartel, he might try to put over to politics. You see a politics in them a try to drag Gaza over to.
Yeah, but you know the cartel have to step aside and lefty.
I know that man. Me I tell you this man. Me I tell you this. You know what going to happen now? I tell you this. I liberate, I tell you, me did that in 1980, 1979, me did that, me see it, you know. Me see it. Me see what happening, you know. I tell you this time. Me no want no politics in my village if I no labor right, because me can't represent no PNP, me no know no PNP when me and them are no family. Donald Sangster, my granduncle, and you see down here, so? I down here, so the Sangsters tribe there. The indigenous tribe of Sangsters is right here. So if we can't win, nobody else can win down here. You try remember say me tell you that. Yeah? Oh. So me don't care how long PJ Battison have it. You come and fight me down at Robin River because I see a 2 prime minister down here, one for him man them and one for woman. Me know me a for woman them, I don't know who a for man. And then they want to fight me down there. Yes. Man trying to lick me. So me go talk like Siaga. Me go say. And I may have called upon to make a speech about the function and the intention of this program today down here. There is 2 prime ministers here. One for the ladies. That is I. And the other for the man, I don't know which one. Them want to war me for that. So me talk like Siaga and go say that. You see it. I make them know so them can't war me in my house. So either them leave me house or them just get mashed up. They never want to leave, so they get me bruise up. But them have to leave still. So this time I tell them I already plan it. I orchestrate the whole thing. If Danny can't win down and nobody can play, can't run down. If Labour right now win down, you hear me say? Well, we have a lot of good supporters down here. We have support down here. And guess what? One time politics, government used to have to spend a whole heap of money in politics. To get people to come them way. I tell you this. Government have to spend the money this time, because I spend mine. I don't know if you don't understand what I say. I spend mine this time. But I want the market for the producer we have. Because we have a whole heap of bush, tea bush, where we can package. We have water. And a lot of different herbs. But we now get no market for them. You get what I say? The road them might take time. Near more than more the patrol them. But we still are wait because we know so them soon fix. We are wait for the pipe them to run. When them run it, But at the same time, we want water in the black tank them we have. We go and use when we not get no rain. See? So the man fair come through and see what I go on more time and make him face. Make the people then see him face. You know what I mean? Yeah. Because the youths, them, you know, the children, them are going to make you win. And the thing are the people, them, we have are the children. And once the children then start carry out, then the whole lot of people, them bigger people, them want to involve themselves to support the children. Them. And so them do it. So the children are leader. The children, they have to get to make that when they're in a house with mommy. Every time they must say, Mommy, you not go vote. You not go vote for Mr. Lawrence. Mommy, you vote already, Mommy? All when an election day, people them for singing like a song in our house. Them. That's how we do it.
Right, you never about it. Yo.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Politics.
Where you going with?
There, I know.
Hopeful.
I got the studio, I do the big labor right song right now, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I sort it out right now.
What? We want little children them for sing, brother. We want a couple of sessions down here.
Yeah, man. Yeah, you hear it so. You can put it on the speaker a little. You can put it on the speaker a little. Let them hear it a little bit. Let's make you hear a little part of it, you know. But politics like.
Me there, man. Me there, brother. Me there.
Okay, all right.
All labor rights, we want to tell the PNP them this. When me say, if you live in a glass house, you don't throw stone. And if you can't take blow, don't throw blow. The baby, they corrupted family, bit of room. And not just know me know. So anything you read, no one that who knows so baby, corruption never come down. Bang to bang. Oh, you know the thing, baby, the corruption never come down. Bang to bang. Everybody know, you know, baby, corruption never come down. Bang to bang. This is the baby, the corruption never come down. Bang to bang. Everybody sing no. From Kingston down to Westmoreland and over Spanish Town, Clarendon, Manchester, go ask them that. Tell Marty give me this revelation for the 15 billion corruption. But they want to run country and don't matter plan them tax bicycle and cat man have the money that is to man from but Jamaica. Telling that can't work and your market free birthday bright one back in England. And they went to the come sing the song. Everybody sing baby, corruption never come down. Oh, you know, she say the baby, the corruption never come down. Bang to bang. Oh, you know, baby, corruption never come down. Bang to bang. She say the baby, the corruption never come down. Bang to bang. Everybody sing though. Let's remember, missing scandal, furniture scandal, shell paper scandal, motor vehicle scandal, forex scandal, land scandal, the sun scandal, water scandal, operation, bread scandal, MunchieB, street people scandal, FinSac, and the big scandal. Remember, the fat cat scandal, dead serve scandal, White House scandal, category scandal, the night boat scandal, Potamini scandal, and over.
Yo.
I want to stop it, touch it back again, make you people here.
And that's true that when I work for it.
Touch it back again. All in one.
Yeah, man, touch it back.
Well, play it back one more time, right, man. I hear it.
All labor rights, we want to tell the PNP them this. When we say, if you live in a glass house, don't throw stone. And if you can't take blow, don't throw blow. The baby, them corrupted from I know just know me know. So anything you no read, know what that who no so. Baby, corruption never come down. Bang to bang. Oh, you know say, baby, the corruption never come down. Bang to bang. Everybody know, baby, corruption never come down. Bang to bang. Keep saying, baby, the corruption never come down. Bang to bang. Everybody sing low. From Kingston up to Westmoreland and over Spanish Town, Clarendon, don't ask them that.
As me say, Dark Knight send him some. Send him some this guy a free man do it to them. Send him some this and support the thing.
Tell them that y'all can get a market for birthday, right? One back to England. All you the right to come sing the song. Everybody sing, baby, corruption never come down. Bang to bang. Oh, you know she say, baby, the corruption never come down. Bang to bang. Oh, you know, baby, corruption never come down. Bang to bang. She say, baby, the corruption never come down. Bang to bang. Everybody sing low. Full of scandal, man, they full of scandal. Full of scandal, man, a pay scandal. The PNP, them full of pay scandal. Remember, they sing scandal, furniture scandal, shell paper scandal, motor vehicle scandal, the forex scandal, land scandal, the sand scandal, water scandal, operation, trade scandal, MunchieB, street people scandal, FinSac, and the big scandal. Remember, the fat cat scandal, net serve scandal, White House scandal, Capital scandal, the light bulb scandal, total minute scandal, and over, Orange County scandal, campaign financial scandal, Spanish Town 1 billion scandal, no one is Kingston municipal scandal, baby, corruption never come down, bang to bang. Oh, you know she say, baby, the corruption never come down, bang to bang. Oh, you know, baby, corruption never come down, bang to bang. She say, baby, the corruption never come down, bang to bang. Everybody sing low, run Jamaica, run. When you see the tax man, them a come. Run Jamaica, run. When you see the tax man, them a come. Run Jamaica, run. When you see the tax man, them a come. Run Jamaica, run. When you see the tax man, them a come. Remember them tax cheese and fun. And them pay tax in pound where you from. Tax from the hill straight down to the ground. With them a tax man, they don't make fun. With them tax easy, them tax that. Them tax slim, them tax the fat. Them tax the brown, them tax the black. Tax everything where you put in the shop. Tax all the food where go in the pot. Here water tax and when you see where them do it. And then the time people never did a live happy. And them tax corporate and party must you think with it at it. Come with them and tax starting. We are tell them to stop it because you know she said, baby, corruption never come down. Bang to bang. Oh, you know she said, baby, the corruption never come down. Bang to bang. Oh, you know, baby, corruption never come down. Bang to bang. All labor.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
I love it, bro. I love it. I can't wait for you to give me my quest start. Rinse out.
Yeah, get it later on.
I wonder if you send it to the party headquarters.
Alright. So later on, we'll get it. I just nice
Yeah,
to them.
man.
Alright. Mix it. You done vice it, but you mix it now.
Yeah, I done vice it and I edit it and I go mix it now.
Charge me, I tell you.
Yeah,
You are going now.
Yeah.
I wish still there. I wish small I'm there, but we have one still there on the road.
Oh, no, it's well, we are firing right now.
We can buy a ticket.
All right, politics later on.
Yeah, man, big up yourself, bro.
All right, yeah.
That we have to put on bike short. Labor right bike show.
What on hour?
What?
Where's the
Bike show.
So you're the
Come on, labor right bike show.
You know the funny? You know done best side the man?
Yeah, man. Right off I seafood jamboree, man. Cause next week Wednesday I seafood jamboree.
Oh, cool.
See it. I'm gonna love the support. I'm gonna love the support of all of my JLP friends them. If you look on my page, you see the flyer. You know what I mean?
Okay.
A recovery celebration.
Green light, how you did the fun morning?
Right after that.
You know, so me see you send request, man, but me busy.
Oh, you're busy, I make some.
Me busy, man.
That I love when I'm not busy.
Oh, no, say PNP river come down bank to bank. Yeah, corruption river come down bank to bank.
No,
yeah, bank to bank. And it run down in IC. That pollute the food that we eat down.
Lord, you know what I make for them river come down in IC, brother, far. For them river too much.
Then curry much donkey down here one time. That's why I don't want no meeting. No JLP keep no sitting over by center. Because over there they need curry donkey them. So I prepare a place for JLP there. Huh?
Over there, curry donkey them.
Politics is
So
Philip Coin as if add him other sugar.
Yeah, we don't know if our internet come up and drop out back.
Alright, she not come to listen.
Right now,
yeah, man,
they need to do a DNA for Mark Golden to find out if my real PNP for true. Because I look like in my jacket.
Lord Jesus, I said, what DNA for him?
Man, it's a boy, you know me. Can't have ready back. When you're boy, I'm not for them. You just riding up and down something you don't even. Why? Yes, man. Thank you very much. Yes. Yeah, man. We have to go do a DNA for Mark Golden to find out if my real PNP for true. Cause he not act right. Look like in my jacket.
Who bad for him?
He don't look like him a Joshua Pitney and him a sing about him father Barney.
Lord God. Laugh today, man. What you say? You must sing say Father Barney. He can't sing that song.
You must never hear him panic quiet.
When people sing that song.
My father Not true.
He can't sing that song in a no farm at all, and we not sing that song in a no farm.
So you say my straight jacket?
Yes. That song of him.
Well, we have to go inform the PNP family and say my jacket, then get rid of him because that's the only problem them have right now. Them have a jacket represented in them. Them not going to win, you know, but at least them could have get little respect.
That song not belongs to him at all.
No, sir.
He can't represent that song.
No, how this, how they get, what am I going to tell them?
And if he really sing it, when if he sing it when they must sing?
You never go to church and see some people and you know it's somehow they do them.
Lord God have mercy.
And when me didn't have boys be great and I used to sing the national anthem, boy, I could have looked on some people when my voice a shot over so over. This is some motor child, I wonder if I show me them. I say, how them each show me on parade?
You know, see, Marky G are ready. They are really pledged to rotted. Never see that in a Jamaica.
I hope you know no mistake. I'm going to say film dish when I with no spoon, you know. I look like for them dish I run away with for them spoon nowadays. I know when one of them come over here and talk about when them come and go. I wait so they read budget, they read out how they would run it the country if they get it. And that them answer.
Me know you don't read no budget. Them not them all read. Read them all read budget. Me know hear them. Me know hear no budget yet. No know if them are gonna read it. Me no know.
Right now, me not worry about them. There are two things me worry about. Me want the polling station over my yard. Me want the police station at Songsters Cafe. So me fix up the place by election. Me want the place up and running by election. So me I do everything possible me can do. So all I saw man who want to play check in. All I people who want hurt, who want bush. All the people who want bush tea, check in. Everybody will want the green, check in. All of the people who want source in mint. All of the people who want busy and anything from the farm. Turmeric, ginger, we have everything. Come in, because we need funding. We need the shop for a run. We need to get customers because we're going to build a podium run here for JLP. And if we don't want the podium for the JLP run, I don't want this community to be JLP. We don't give me no support. We don't have to notify the MP, say we are running place until the day when we vote and we vote him in and him say him win by a greenwash. Then we realize the people around here do work. We don't want to call every minute, make him feel like I say we are stressing out. We can't do full work on it. And years my mother take up census and I work with JLP. She do it. Now she's 81 years. Me can't take it up from here. But me now go walk up on them and bring the people them to me.
Okay, sir.
So with your support and my support, we can support the MP to the fullest. And we can bring back Anjo the victory him deserve. Because we don't want him win at some place. No green. We have paint out the whole place before he win. So that means that when he win and he look around, he see place green.
Yes, he must appear green.
Yes. Yes, indeed. Unless. All right. I saw. Woodpecker. So when you in a keep on tree, you must say, them are woodpecker, them are woodpecker. And them are the woodpecker come now. Then read up their head and go. So yeah, we not good. We not good standing. Where is Plank? We not good. We not good standing. Where is Plank?
Yeah, I realized that. So how is the job going?
Okay. Just waiting for you.
Okay.
You want to play some mash up.
Like you need some coffee, man, or you need a bottle of Pepsi.
Hey, you know me not like coffee. I drink it, but I don't like it.
Pick up yourself for the honor, you know, my friend. Respect.
Big girl.
Respect for the honors.
What's your minute? These are ready. These are finished.
You're not pressure nobody that time. It's alright. It's okay. You can leave if you want to leave.
What's my book already?
Queen of the roses. This energy queen. Thanks to the confetti. Thanks to